Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Uh-huh. What did you think? You thought you could fucking have a little grassroots campaign there? Do a little, whatever the fuck thing there? Try to say that I said that you don't like the Jews? I love the Jews. I love Hanukkah. I love Purifier, all of that stuff. I love Kwanzaa. I love all of that stuff. So that was BS. All right? And let me tell you something. When you're coming for the capo di tutti capi, you best not miss. All right? Yeah, all you fucking cornballs that went out there and posted all your fucking little stickers there, talking about I voted this, I voted that, voted for the redhead broad from the show with the fucking with the lady with the horse face, huh? You know who the boss is, pal. It's Cuomo, and it's Cuomo no mo. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm gonna be the boss. My kid's gonna be the boss. This is a family thing, all right? This is our thing, all right? Omerta, until the death of me. You understand me? I'll never rat. I'll never snitch. I'll pander to any base I need to pander to in order to win. And that's what you do, all right? Shout out to Nicki Minaj, you know what I'm saying? For the support, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate you. And, I'll just say you sincerely, you know what I mean? Your Moulignan status has been removed, all right? You listen to me. This is episode 126 of the most illustrious podcast in the world, and I'm just here to fucking gloat, because all you jerk-offs thought I was going to take an L to some fucking supporting actress in a fucking dramedy. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Eh? Matter of fact, you know what? I got no more to say. Enjoy 4 years of sucking my dick from the back, you cowards. Do the fucking drop.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Yo, episode 126.
That's right.
We in the building.
That's right.
Shout out to Cuomo winning that election there.
A crushing defeat, damn, dog.
Yes. As always, coming to you live from Red Bull Studios at 220 West 18th Street. Yeah, the Crystal Clear Clarity. Yeah. It's episode 126. This is Harlem getting a little sketchy. It's getting a little dark in the afternoon, if you know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Don't leave your bike in front of your building.
That's
it's not
right.
that gentrified yet, Megan.
No, it's not at all.
It's your boy, D's Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Cheerio. Excuse me, I mean Pocket Stay Fat like, here we go. Yeah. Listen to that Kids Bop right there. You're like, Jesus, why'd you sell it? I'm like, no, man, I'm getting these checks. You can't say Pocket Stay Fat like Cheerio in a fucking Pixar movie, okay? When I'm playing a little Jamaican raspberry, that's my line. Pocket Stay Fat like, here we go, man.
Yeah, Irie Raspberry vibes.
Chris Stats, First Link Dick, Eli Lippy, Butcher Gully, Slow It That Might Know You Bitch, Young Day Party. Young Hot Take, Day Party season has come to a close. Wow.
Yeah, it is. Unless you're out there in the Canada Goose, you can fuck it out. You can fucking be like, yo, fuck it, nigga, I'm still day party. Like, I'm out here.
Summer, niggas didn't go to City Island.
You be the only nigga.
They get their toes dirty at La Marina. Sad. Next year, though. Now it's perfect time. Knock your bitch up. If you a chick getting pregnant now, because the winter's mad whack. You don't want to, like, if you don't want to be pregnant in the summer, because mad shit pop off in the summer. If you pregnant in the winter, like, you just chill inside and eat chowder and shit.
That's
like,
right. Also, if you don't really want the baby, you don't really fuck with your baby father, you can slip and fall. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You can do that.
All right. That's
that was fun.
All right. I'm Young Hot Take, but that was another hot take. DJ Fuego, Mr. Donald's Durando, 1994 Nueva York. McQuail going off the Juve Boys.
Yes.
MC looking put up for 40, which is shorty. She's right next to me. I'm like, yo, mom, watch this. Watch this. I've been practicing in 2K. I didn't even turn the sliders down. AK, don't talk to me in the Uber pool.
I don't know you. Who are you?
And yes, I do smell like the loud of the Pacquiao, or maybe you don't know. I might have a chopped cheese sandwich under my shirt. You don't know what that smell is. You come in the car and smell like mad meats.
Yes.
Just
blindfold you and ask you questions.
All the fucking back windows is fogged up because the meats is like right off the grill. Yeah. How you feel? The original my plus one guy plus wants to don't make a fuss of these Rossi, the Jamaican Jew. Happy Rosh Hashanah.
Oh shit.
I'm mixing Rosh Hashanah and Juve. She's gonna be lit.
Oh, Rosh Juve.
Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Goose and Mufasa, Young Chakuli Ratakuli, Tilly Lamone, left hand reliever for the Yankees, get okay. Two Phone Jones. Actually, I don't need to be Two Phone Jones more. The new iPhones have dual SIMs, and I know everyone in Nigeria is like, Jesus, we've had dual SIMs. I'm talking about America now. Come on now.
Let's be
It's
serious.
the iPhone though. Now you can get both. You could have 2 lines on your iPhone. You could be trapping. You could be cheating. You could be selling punani or slanging cack. Whatever you do, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Also, by the way, I'm doing out calls in Pittsburgh this weekend, brother.
He's new in town.
DJ Machina, Jake Chuckle, Stanley comes to Human Dr. Barnes label dilute. Leonardo Trapio, Mr. 240p because I like my Pinot Blurry. DJ Willa, here's the Watch the Film. Up next, we have 24 hours of Clay Aiken. Clay Aiken. Wow, he was like a music guy before. Is he like a reporter now?
He's like a fucking doing off-Broadway theater / News 12. Shout out to him.
The Curry Goat, DJ Spicer, Jamal Hatch from the Bronx, Dion. Ray and Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you cannot contain him. Human Meme, what's your job? Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henry Boy calls Nelson Mandela, Sergio can't see me, Vitamin Booth, and the human weather's melting in your mouth. Mr. Backside Decatur, Ricky T. Squabby, Greg Popovich, more says with Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber. The juice is suppressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of noodles, the Prince of Peck on the Fashion Nova Casanova. We may send $5, $10, $10.
Whoa.
Forget the small change, give me big money wine.
Yes.
And when I buy Coinstar and bring it back, this is what it's gonna play every time you put your money in. It's $5, $10, $10. Be a little animated thing.
Is a dude like twerking and shit? Like,
Shout out to the TD Bank that had the class actions lawsuit because they were lying when they would count your coins. They was like, $25, go out of here. He was like, that's clearly $500. I said $25, get out of here.
I'm like, nigga, this shit ain't platinos. Why you doing this shit by weight? Nigga, like, what the fuck is wrong with you?
That sounds like $35, get out of here. Don't act on my salute is Gypset. Mr. Saga, catch me at square one, top left, man's is Marv.
Yo, don't cheat me, bro.
Rizzuto, holy cow, I'm at the money store. Mr. South Park, all I do is count checks and jerk off, which actually got, still got lubricated, put a little lubriderm on there. Don't want to get like the chap hands.
Yeah, no. Your callous hands like penis is very painful.
We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda, and it's me, Sunny D. Wow. David Yerman, D's Expensive, Shout to Cardi for endorsing Silky and Nixon, mad late, and also to giving the wrong poll information. But you know what? Hey,
it's a thought that counts.
We'll take it. It's the Bronx. You know what I'm saying? We'll take the bill. We'll take the bare minimum. Smokey Noah, Andrew Coonan, aka the Junior Energy God Junior. Come sit down, pop me, Charles.
Sit upon it.
Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. The topic of gossip and Syosset. I saw Jesus on the. He bought a house out here. It has black mold, but he slipped the inspector a little money and no one sees it.
He's all right. He's smoking in the quiet car, but who cares?
There you go. AKA Grandpa joking when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden chicken. And if I spent $50 on a scratching post and he ignores it to scratch at my new couch, you know what I'm saying? Just let him be him. He's a cat. Mr. Shopping that street, these are the bad reasons like I'm easy. Please believe me. The black Asian addict will crack your back like automatic craft mag. Mr. Lamarina, Mesmerino, fresh misdemeanor, cold demeanor. AKA you're a problematic bae. That's right, ma. Borrow money off your credit card. We'll pay it back at the end of the month. You can't miss. I'm
Don't worry about it.
I got the coke flow.
Yeah, just do the cash advance. Don't worry about the 38, 9.5%
credit cards still come with those checks that they used to come with? And you just put them away in a safe place and you can use them to pay off a balance?
I was like, they're like, niggas are scamming. There's like a dude at the library making copies of them shits right now.
She's got like no kind of like microtransaction in
No, that's nothing. Niggas writing fucking postal money orders. Yo, it's your boy the K-Mar, a.k.a. the Human Direct 5, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalif, huh? You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader, jump the curb, hit your dog, fucking dog, nigga, keep it moving, ask me if I care, I don't care. You know what I'm saying? Sorry, Astro. I ain't no fucking baby, I'm a fucking man. You know what I'm saying? No need to check the guest list, nigga. I am the guest list. I'm nominated for 6 Latin Grammys for Toto Loco. Pay fucking homage before I get names to go shoot the place. Look at that bar, nigga, I got bars for niggas. A.k.a. CC Dad Bathia, a.k.a. get into this shmoney and this smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmack. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. my kids already got straight A's for the year, nigga, because I pressed all these teachers at back to school night with the blicky, nigga. I pulled up with the blicky with the stiffy, You know what I'm saying? Kindergarten's gonna be real iffy, You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Big Swag, young boy, a.k.a. DJ Maradona, a.k.a. Digging your baby with some boy, come in this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me now.
I was just getting comfortable.
No. This pussy belong to me, that's it. You cannot come in here.
He's gonna play this Charlie Brown music as I walk away from the pussy.
Let's keep walking. Keep walking while the samba piano plays in the background. Keep walking. No, keep walking, Pigpen. Motherfucker.
My favorite poem.
Fuck out of here. aka the new coach of the New York Knicks, David Trisdale.
Hey.
Pow, pow, nigga, take that for data, nigga. Hold that, aka Barlow Santana, so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a zip car, then ditch it and run through the tunnel, aka the Dominican Dundada Dykeman Daddy, aka swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it, put the plastic bag on that shit. You're embarrassing us both, Yesenia. You know who the fuck I am. I was the voice of the minion with the one eyeball, nigga. You don't recognize me? Fucking bitch. You know what I'm saying? AKA Romeo Santos. So Zanny, let me back out. I'll try hump a BBW on stage, nigga. I don't care. It's part of my act. AKA Light No Touchy. Hello? Is it when you're looking for?
Is it?
I can see it in your eyes that you broke ass and got 5. But you know what I'm saying? I appreciate you coming through with the entourage. You know what I'm saying? Like, that was needed.
That was very nice.
You know what I'm saying? I appreciate the touch. You know what I'm saying? It's a thought that counts, like we said earlier.
It's the
you know what I'm saying? Touch.
And let it go.
I'm dancing in pants that's too big. AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my walls deflated. You know what I'm saying? AKA feel the ass Tyson. I want to explore your cosmos mind. You know what I'm saying? Especially that little spot in between. You know what I'm saying? And a little panty guard. You know what I'm saying? After a long day of work. You know what I'm saying? A little creamy shit.
This nigga's nasty.
Yeah. AKA Friday Night Messi MVP of Gelato. AKA Daniel Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smother me at Mama Sushi. I'm up here with Cynthia Nixon, nigga, getting the hooks lit. Yo, you know what I'm saying?
That. I lost the election, but you know why I didn't lose? These baby loves, what's up?
What's up?
Smoking heavy, smoking heavy. What's up? What's up? You know, gingers do it better. What's good?
You know what I'm saying? Catch me at La Marina.
I didn't even want to be governor. Fuck that. That shit's mad corny.
That shit's corny. That nigga's corny. That shit's whack.
Fuck that. I got awards and shit.
I don't care.
Yo, turn the Lifetime. I'm on right now.
Fuck that.
Right now.
Yo, you get royalty checks for being governor, nigga?
You know what I'm saying?
Suck my whole dick.
I'm not governor, but I got my ass eaten on basic cable. How
That's
you
right.
feel?
How you feel, stupid?
Not even basic, premium cable.
Yeah, nigga.
Nigga had to move the cheeks across like it was Ireland.
Yeah, right. That's right. You know what I'm saying? AKA Cynthia Blixen, nigga.
You know what
I'm
it
saying?
is.
AKA Mr. Still Your Bitch, nigga. Yo.
Yes, sir, Knicks. We are the New York Knicks. Why did she go with that? See, that's why you lost. We should have been. We are the New York Knicks. Just have a bunch of like fucking redheads shooting at the fucking
come
hoop and
on.
shit.
Like have like you know what I'm saying?
Go Nixon, go Nixon, go.
Go Nixon.
Damn.
Nixon Knox. Had Kevin Knox with her.
Wow.
Come on, dude.
Damn, we came up with this while after the fact.
Come on,
she's at home like, what the fuck?
Yo.
This is Mero.
Yo, listen,
See,
bro.
again, the Bronx, we come up with like the same way Cardi B endorsed her bad late. We're like, yo, we got some good election shit for you,
Yo.
Ma. Like, I don't know if you want to run this. Like,
You know what I'm saying? After you take this L, we gonna let you know.
I'll say it. You took this L, then I'll smoke this L.
AKA Ben Boston.
Ooh, boy.
My hands are gifted. I will replace your spinal cord with a frayed iPhone charger so you can make jokes about it and continue to feel good about having an LG phone with an asinine name like Intuition, while everybody else purchases a new iPhone. You fucking broke boys.
You know what? If Ben
Candy got
Barson,
forked.
if Ben Barson can like repair a brain, you know he could fucking finger pop the shit out of some shows.
Oh man,
He be like
yeah, that's thinking why you
that
doing?
nigga, that nigga be moving the vag like a move.
Yeah,
and nigga be like, oh, nigga twisting the clit like a knob, like an equalizer, like.
No. Come on, niggas at the fucking the Goldie Awards and shit like.
Nigga making fucking Roger Troutman type beats and shit. Oh man, it's like, yo, listen, I am Ben, I am the Ben. It's like, yo, I am the Ben, bend over. So, oh wow, see, got all the hits today, baby. Bringing all the hits.
Yo, why? That's why you think like every time you see him, Candy's smiling. You ever notice that? All the other heads of state, the wives are like mad serious. Like, yo.
Candy's just like, yeah, boy. Oh, thank the Lord.
Oh, baby. He's like, yo, you want to take me in the bathroom for like 10 minutes, baby?
He be giving speeches and stop and snort his finger like,
yeah. It tastes just like candy.
Nasty. He's like, this finger handled Popeyes last night. I have a full bouquet. This nigga finger's like fucking Thanos. Like, he got all the smells. Like, What is just fucking Dax hair oil? Like, yeah.
AKA, I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet because you know who it is, man. It's the Zen, man. It's gonna be
Get out of there! I'm coming with like a rolled up newspaper and start hitting you at the dinner party. Get the fuck out of here!
No, stop.
Megan, he's in the medicine cabinet again. I told you count the pills from last time. He run into the car. Stop him!
I jump in the wrong car and shit like I'm in a Subaru. Like,
I can drive off with some GTA shit. Person's car is standing there with the car keys in their hand. Like, how do you start the car?
Yo, what happened? Just yank things out the car. Nigga rolls mad awkwardly.
This nigga stereotypically hot wires the car on some 80s shit. I'm like, there's not even an ignition cable. It's on computers now. It's like, later, suckers.
Ha, bitch, ha. AKA Nico Sabroso. AKA Lucius lying ass nigga, man. Come on, officer, man. I didn't know Julio, man. I don't know no Julio, man. I'll give you a couple niggas doing anything in DC, man, but I ain't snitching on nobody from Harlem, man. Come on now. AKA Baby Newport. 2-5 niggas got garbage out of the way. AKA Nino Brown shut the car down. AKA live from the Kennedy Fried Chicken on Jerome Avenue, involuntarily bussing tables, eating the marrow out of other people's leftover chicken bones. It's the East Tremont Stevie B performing all his hits like Dope Sick Love, Don't Let Me Lean, and I Wanna Be the One Your DD is fucking. You know what I'm saying?
So when I said, he is going to beat the living shit out of you one day. So keep that up. You keep that same energy. You keep that same energy when you're coming off the fucking GWP and he stops and he's cleaning your window with a dirty rag.
I'm like, yo, chill.
And you keep spitting on your windshield.
I'm like, yo, it's not even spring yet.
I'm getting it clean, Bobby.
Yo, it's not even spring yet. I'm trying to get the salsa go fuego,
you got
nigga.
the wild log loogie going down. You shit on your wipers, it's just making it worse. He's like, humming, I want to be here. Nigga cough a little blood on you.
I'm like, yo, I just got this shit detailed, nigga. What the fuck?
Nigga using the same water to clean your fucking windshield, to clean your syringe. Wow.
Yeah, we out here. The spice levels is high, B. The McCormick boys, nigga. Young Lorries. Yo, listen, man.
Oh, man. Oh, man.
Okay. Listen, mate. Let's get serious for a second, mate. There's no more rock stars left in the world. It's only the Bodega Boys. You know what I'm saying? You think Lil Uzi Vert is a rock star? Shout out to him. You think all these rappers are rock stars because they have chokers and little chains and shit like that. And there's no more rock stars. Slash is where he's been wearing a top hat for 40 fucking years. Give me a fucking break. The Bodega Boys are the only ones left. And it's, you know what I'm saying? You know who it is from across the pond. It's the plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, trying to sell these dummies to some fiends. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I met Mike Francis. I'm never going to fail.
Ever.
AKA, starting at forward, blowing on that Indo, GameCube, Nintendo. It's Barmelo's Anthony pulling up from VIP. Bang! You know what I'm saying? AKA, if you see me at Garden State Plaza buying poisonous fast food for a whole line of people as a pitiful viral stunt, approach me like a fucking earthside mammal. You know what I'm saying? God's plan for all you niggas to get diabetes.
They got Panda Express is about the whole night. People coming up and hugging you.
Go ahead, nigga.
Yo, thanks, benevolent Mero.
Yo, I appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate
like a
the
homeless
love.
family on the curb just gives them a fucking duck sauce. Like, yo, y'all good now.
You good, B. Enjoy
good.
that. Yo, here's the napkin. I already used it, though. You know what I'm saying? Yo. I sold fakely into your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high Fabuloso, nigga. I'm not even trying anymore. He's rapping like that because his chain is squeezing his larynx. I like the way that I always say larynx because Memphis Bleak said larynx in a song. So now we'll never pronounce the word larynx correctly ever again. AKA, Hasan, tírame la pinta. ¿Qué fue? Llegó el hijo de FIFA, el que baja con la pinta bacana pa' que tú me saludas, lambón. Yo no hago coro con tigres arrancados que quieren que yo prenda la juca y ponga el wiki. Váyase al comado a pedir jumbo fiao, maldita rana. Shout a los tigres míos, Hasan, Insane. Dímelo, Jamesy, Basti, ¿qué lo que? Estamos activos en el meneo. You know what I'm saying? If you see any of those things on the flyer, nigga, pull the fuck up. Because it's going to be lit and sweaty, nigga. And you might catch a dub and get somebody pregnant, regardless of their gender or who they identify as.
Wow.
Someone call ICE. This nigga sounds illegal.
Hey. That is the new Red Bull 4000 sound system. Just, it just comments every now and then. Every now and then it just really comes in and just lets us know the temperature.
Yo.
So shout out to that new invention I've been working on.
What did Elon Musk get in here, man?
all robots are racist. All robots and all computers are racist. We know this.
Nigga, Elon Musk smoked some weed, started listening to podcasts and shit. He's like, how can I improve upon this?
How can I? You know what? What if we replace Mero and Desus with robots?
How can we make it?
How about that?
It would be much more efficient.
Instead of a podcast, how about it would just random numbers?
Yes.
It could just be two robots spitting out prime numbers.
Oh, it would be amazing.
Amazing.
Incredible. Like my hairline.
And he just put it on Twitter. Everyone's like, thank you, Elon. You saved the world. Oh, my God, Elon, you're so great. Oh, Elon, please, the Tesla's the greatest car ever. Oh, my God. I can plug my car in like my phone. And then he goes in his bathroom and like Azalea Banks is just fucking sacrificing the chicken. He's like, how long you been here? She's like, I've been waiting for Grimes.
Shut up, nigga. I've been here for mad long waiting for Ochun, nigga.
I'm waiting for Grimes. Where's Grimes?
Shut up,
she
nigga.
invited me here.
Shut up. We about to collaborate on a house track.
How come Elon Musk is the only person we think of when you think of like car designers?
Because it's like nobody else is putting themselves out there.
Was Henry Ford? Well, I mean, he was anti-Semitic, but he basically was Elon Musk, right?
Yeah.
Think about it.
He wasn't all in the videos, dancing,
but low-key,
smoking weed with Joe Rogan.
Imagine niggas is out there riding on horses and shit. This nigga like, I got some other shit.
I got the whip, nigga. What's up? What's up?
I got the combustible engine.
Yeah, nigga.
Like niggas was on the waiting list for the combustible engine and shit. Niggas waited 2 years to go 5 miles per hour.
Niggas is like, yo, combustion?
Like, that's wild.
How does that even work?
That's wild.
Yo, you put fire with a flammable substance and combust? Yo.
That's crazy.
And it pushes a piston?
I was beating my sleeve and I couldn't even concentrate on it when I just thought about the capabilities of it.
Wow, B.
Oh, wow.
Yo, me and Thomas Jefferson was, you know what I'm saying, was reading Black Tail and I just looked up and I was just like, God damn.
Thomas Jefferson's like, Black Tail. Damn. Slavery. It's what's for dinner.
The band only got 2 strings.
It's funny how like the America just Euro steps around slavery when they talk about shit. They're like, yeah. There was like, the Pilgrims, and then there was like the Civil War.
And then Mad Cotton.
Whoa,
Mad Cotton appeared.
The polio.
Oh.
I'm like, polio was like 1950.
Y'all skipped
what happened
a lot of
They
years.
was like, you don't want to see that. It was weird. Like women were showing their ankles as porn.
Yeah, it was weird. It was bizarre. Yeah. Do you want to be a part of the britches era, nigga? Like you don't want to see a shorty in bloomers, nigga.
Big britches and shit.
You know what I'm saying? You pull up to the crib and shit. Shorty take a top off and then she take her bottoms off. She got the wild bloomers.
Should take like 10 hours for her to take off her fucking whalebone corset. You can't run and smash and shit.
Yo, some fetish nigga just got a wild boner.
Niggas is smelling her bloomers. That's back when niggas was like bathe every 2 weeks and shit. It's like, I was like, you still work at the milk factory? She's like, no.
No.
That's all me.
I'm like, yo, you making a lot of cottage cheese down there, man.
Oh, shit. And that's when New York niggas would just spit out the window and just dump their garbage out the window and shit.
Yo, that's a fact.
They could be like, yo, what happened to Victor? Oh, he had died from typhoid. Like, really?
Really? In the United States of America in 1990? Wow.
They're like, well, damn, sucks for him eating a big bowl of sauerkraut to beat scurvy and shit. Not gonna get me with the rickets.
No way. Nigga just boofing mad limes.
Shout out to all the, how come we never, you know how in not restaurants, in rap concerts, they always be like fallen rappers. They'd be like, one hand in the air for Biggie, Tupac, Yams and shit. How come no one ever does like forgotten diseases and shit? Diseases eradicated and shit. What was the last?
Is polio still around?
Yeah, because stupid people don't want to vaccinate their fucking kids. They came back like, ha-ha!
Fam.
Guess who's back? You feeling a little poly, nigga?
Guess who's back in the motherfucking mouth?
With some brittle bones for the motherfucking mouth.
Get a wheelchair, nigga.
Damn. Like even that was Chris Rock's joke. He was like, "You feel a little poly?" Like now niggas was like, "How you really not vaccinating your kids?"
Fam, niggas are not vaccinating their kids for shit that like should have been eliminated in like 1915. Like niggas are gonna get white people keep fucking around.
Nah,
niggas gonna bring back the black plague.
I be seeing some black people be on some anti-vaccination shit too, and it's not because of Hotep shit. They just be cheap. I'm keeping it funky now. is a member of my family, and like, okay, my sister is a medical professional. She went to school for medicine and whatever, and like, she vaccinates her son.
Yeah.
And one of the members of my family was like, yo, you shouldn't do all the vaccinations on the same day. I'm like, if that's when the doctor's doing them, like, you know better. You read a Wikipedia article, now you're going to tell the doctor how to vaccinate shit? Yo, don't vaccinate your kids now because Mercury's in retrograde.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, word. Yo, and also SZA dropped a new album, so, you know what I'm saying? Those two things can't cross paths.
You got to watch
You're
out
like,
for that.
what? What the fuck are you talking about? Nigga, shit don't make no type of sense.
But to be fair, if I have kids, I'm not vaccinating them. Fuck that. Because I want them to survive without the vaccine, so like their immune systems become stronger.
Super extra OD. All right.
Because think about it, we didn't have vaccines in Africa or Jamaica and Dominican Republic.
Definitely not. I definitely had dengue for years.
You know what vaccines were in Jamaica? Beatings.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
They beat the disease out of you.
That's a fact.
Wait, dengue. What's wrong with you?
What's wrong? Well, hey, papi, ¿qué te pasa a ti? You have a dengue? Okay, go outside and kill a chicken. Then I just have to go grab a chicken by the head, spin it around and shit. And then I was instantly cured from dengue.
Dengue. That sounds like a cool. I'm gonna name my kid that. Dengue.
Yo.
Let's put like a wild accent on it. So people French.
Oh, that'd be lit. I mean, it
That
would be
fucking doctor at first day of school gonna be like, the teacher gonna be like, dang,
dang, like the basketball guy.
dang, nigga,
Dangui.
dang, nigga.
Oh God.
Stop it up, stop it up.
Shout out to Chris Tucker, bro, for doing an entire dance routine at the fucking Tommy Hilfiger party.
He did.
Oh my God.
And he didn't want to. He didn't want to.
King Botch forced him to.
That shit came out of him, though.
Yeah, it did.
He didn't want. He was like, I don't want to.
Yo.
He was like, do it for the gram.
Do
it for the do it for the.
Yo, hear that shit down, bro. You know what he's dancing to with the sound off. Like, yo, it's crazy. Yo, shout out to King Batch because that nigga was hyping him up. Like,
Yeah,
yo,
ready to go.
like, fam, like, do backflip, nigga.
This is your time.
This is your moment.
It's your time.
You know what I'm saying?
Meant for a chef.
Nothing else from the Rush Hour soundtrack is coming on. I promise you. I know Vashti's set list.
Oh wow. What else was on the? Was it Thong Song from? No, Thong Song was from Night Professor.
Night Professor, yes.
There was some.
Why? Yo, back in the day, this is a serious question. Back in the day, movies had soundtracks that didn't have anything to do with the movie.
That's
like,
when it was. That's when shit was fire, man.
Yeah, like I'm just like, yo, the Hoodlum soundtrack was fire, but like,
because back then,
what does that have to do with 1920s gangsters?
No, it was just like, just get get 3 members of Wu-Tang, Mary J. Blige, Blue Raspberry, make this shit happen. People don't think, do they even make soundtracks anymore?
Like, I mean,
like the Black Panther sound, but the Black Panther soundtrack had nothing to do with Black Panther. It was like Kendrick Lamar and some other people.
Yeah, he's like Kendrick Lamar's like,
about
yo, I'm a black robot. Like, yo, that was it.
That was cinematic. People at first was like, yo, this shit's whack. Nah, Future killed that. Future killed that. Future Hendrix. You know wrong.
Yo, the Future did an interview where he was like, yo, I just be going to the studio while fucked up and just do whatever, you know what I'm saying?
And it
like,
works.
And it
That's
works.
the problem. Too many people do that and it does not come out good. But then you have the people that can do that.
Yeah.
And they don't know the difference.
They're virtuosos.
They don't know that difference.
Yeah.
All right, because like that, you seen that video and it was like Kodak Black and his boys, and they were like in the
studio bopping
to a beat, and he was like, "This shit is about to be whack. This nigga about to do some whack shit. This shit is about to be whack."
You just see the wheels turning in his head, like he's about to just be like, "Skirt, skirt."
He gonna say some shit
like, "My mama told me my broccoli skirt." I'm like, yo.
Like, all right. I got out of jail, straight gonna win. Got bitches around me, none of them are dark skinned. You're like, why? Why'd you add that little part right there?
Come on, man. You could have left that out. Chabon knots, nigga.
Yo, shout out to the NYPD, busted in the prostitution and gambling sting.
Oh, shit.
7 members of NYPD and a retired detective and his wife, they were running the wild brothel.
Oh, they were? Oh, I thought they busted a brothel. I was about to be like,
they
fucking wet
they
blankets.
were running the brothel and then they had like mad other cops and shit. They had illegal gambling and shit.
That's kind of lit.
And the worst part is the cops had to announce they arrested them and had to announce the arrest on 9/12.
Ooh.
So niggas was really sitting there with like the fucking oak tag printed up and shit. It was like, damn, we gotta arrest these niggas, but not today. Never forget.
They have the fucking shit with like the lines connecting niggas. Like, yo,
imagine that. Like, if you about to like, and then I guess that's internal affairs found them.
Yeah.
And internal affairs, because cops hate internal affairs.
Yeah,
but if you were like
a title teller,
you don't know. That's the rat. That's the rat squad.
Yeah,
that's
the title teller.
Because there's a thin blue line. You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying?
Thin blue line. My father was there.
Hey.
You know what I'm saying? That thin blue line, that's the only thing that keeps this town from the fucking savages taking over.
It's the fucking blue wall, pal. You can't break through the blue wall. Let me tell you something.
When I'm out there, I don't see color. All I see is blue. This guy right here. Do you see this guy?
He's my brother.
He's my brother.
I don't care.
If I wasn't a cop, I see him, I'd be like this fucking spick. He's probably stealing purses, maybe taking the fucking radio out the car. But no, he's my brother. I invite him over on fucking Christmas. Matter of fact, he's banging my sister. They're moving to Florida. They got a timeshare.
He's gonna become Italian as soon as he moves down to Boca Raton.
He's got a Dodge Charger. It's got an Iraqi flag on the back, and it's got Calvin pissing on it.
That's a fucking. That's the Puerto Rican guide to success, B. Like, become a cop, move to Florida.
Keep alive, become white, move to Florida.
You know what I'm saying? Be like, yo, I'm half Italian.
Cops. Swole cops. We're at that weird point now where like undercover cops are younger than you.
That's wild.
That's wild. So you
like,
see
don't
them,
yell, don't fucking yell at me, nigga. Respect your fucking elders, nigga. If I smack the shit out of you, nigga, you just came out the academy.
And they always got the little band over the muscle.
Yeah.
Just let you know.
Yeah, let you know.
But you know,
like, yo, I got sleeves and a little fucking compression band. Like, yo, I'm a wrestler, nigga.
Yeah, but now we at the age now. I will wrestle with a cop.
Oh yeah,
I'll wrestle with a cop.
I feel like I got old man strength.
I think I could take. I think I could be wily enough that it would take 3 cops to take me down.
Oh yeah,
if I'm just like on the floor rolling around. And shit,
yeah,
like,
Yo, if you let me smoke some angel dust and take all my clothes off, nigga, I'm fighting the whole precinct.
You know what? I've seen a lot of videos. This is very troubling. Is this the new trend?
Naked niggas
fighting. Listen, if you naked, we not fighting. You won. You won.
You won.
You won.
That's what niggas think. Like, yo, if I get butt ass naked, this nigga won't really want to fight me because my dick is flopping around like a windsock. Like one of those guys in front of the car dealerships that's just like
wacky arms, wacky arms. Nah, man, I'm not fighting you. There was that video in the Bronx of the guy fighting the naked guy in front of the bodega in the rain.
In the rain, fam.
You fighting naked in the rain? That's some John Wick. You must have killed my dog or something. Fam. Like, I'm not fighting you naked in the rain. Way. Now it's all cold. I'm getting rainwater on my dick.
Dog, that was clearly cut out of Step It Up too. Like, that was not supposed to be in there.
You gotta do that for Little Bear.
Come on, B.
Oh, man. Oh, wow.
Yo.
Shout out to North Carolina. Y'all got the Hurricane Florence coming through.
Oh, shit. Florida always having hurricanes,
No,
man.
North Carolina.
Oh, North Carolina.
But
North Carolina!
Raise up.
Get an umbrella!
They said it's gonna be like 9 feet of water or some shit. I was like, that's a lot of water.
Damn, nigga. But I wouldn't even dive in a pool that says 9 feet.
But for my illustrious studies of meteorology in the North Carolina coast, aka watching HGTV.
True.
Beachfront properties, but not the pretty shit in the Caribbean. But like white people, they want beachfronts, but they don't want to be away from white people.
Yeah.
So they get beachfronts on like North Carolina. Like, this ain't a beach, nigga.
Like,
what is this?
This is Myrtle Beach.
You're gonna take a rowboat across the pond and give your neighbor a fucking rhubarb pie. Anyway, I'm familiar with these things, but these places flood, and then they have these weird shit called like the once in a 100-year flood. That the insurance is like, nah. We don't cover that.
We don't cover that shit, fam. You on your own.
You got flood insurance?
Call them niggas with the fucking for no reason because my house is like a quarter inch in a quote unquote flood zone. Like it's like maybe it's my paranoia from getting mad high and watching The Sopranos. Mm-hmm. I feel like everything in New Jersey is mafia controlled. Because I mean
that is true.
Like my garbage man company, whatever, changes like every 3 months or whatever, and somebody gets murked over it, and like. Also, I'm just like, fam, like, why do you get to do this when this other company clearly does it better? Like, I don't understand. And also, why don't you niggas come and spray for mosquitoes? I've been calling for like a week. Bergen County, I'm talking to you.
Spill it. Spill it. Welcome to this episode of Bergen Talk.
You know what I'm saying?
Spray for fucking I got kids running around in my yard. They can get a mosquito bite.
Today we have an angry homeowner. He's just new to the cul-de-sac. You've been there a year now. His name is the Mero Kid.
Yes, that's
Mero Kid. He's an entertainer in the city.
Thank you.
He does Latino style comedy.
I appreciate that.
A lot of foreskin jokes. It's not really my cup of tea, but
fine.
we like to show diversity here on Bergen Talk.
Thank you.
Okay, BJ.
Thank you.
So,
thank you for having me, Joyce.
what's your beef? What's your beef in Bergen?
Well, here's the problem. If you have a tree and the tree branch extends into my yard,
oh my God,
and then falls down and causes property damage on my property, you should be liable as the homeowner and not me. That's what I feel. Also, the mosquito spraying regimen has been a little lax lately. I would like to speak to the fucking governor.
That's fair.
Maybe if you fucking wouldn't have fucking legalized pot, it wouldn't take so long to do everything.
Okay, but you have to hear the devil's argument here. If we sprayed for more mosquitoes, would you and your family have been able to move in? Okay, that's all we have time for today, and we're just going to keep it moving now. Up next, we got the 24-hour Dress Barn sale. Dress Barn, 70% off for you ladies if you just want to look kind of good.
Dress Barn always bugged me out because it's like, who the fuck would want to buy a dress from a place called Dress Barn?
My mother used to stay like when you first come to America, Dress Barn and Blinking Genie, those is where you go. That's where you get your church dresses from.
Yo, my mom used to buy me drawers from Conway, nigga, that literally were made out of loose leaf paper.
Nigga said Conway.
I was like, yo, why am I wearing these as underwear, B? Like, as soon as I fart, these shits rip. I got like some weird like rash on my balls from these shits. Like
rash on my balls.
Rash on my balls. Alhamdulillah. Rash on my balls. Check in with me.
Balls is my name.
Big bullet in the chain.
What type of underwear you enjoying now? What's your you doing Target shit? You doing high level shit?
I'm doing like the athletic shit, like the Nike shit, like the shit that like be holding your balls in place like perfectly all day. Mm-hmm. Like it's amazing. Mm-hmm. Like you put me onto them shits. I'm not even gonna hold you. Like you put me onto like the like.
No, hold me.
Wow. Like before I was just on some Hanes shit, and then like them shits ride up and turn into a thong like halfway through.
Got the fucking fat Jew fucking boxes.
The Hanes shit.
Got the cheeks apart.
You know what I'm saying? I was like, I couldn't do it, bro. Like I was like, I need something that doesn't ride up my fucking illustrious thigh.
I get handmade crotcheted underwear from Esty.
Oh,
yeah,
nice.
It's $76 a pair, but it's wonderful.
Send me a link. I want to put it on my Pinterest board.
No doubt, I will. It takes 6 to 8 weeks to make a pair. I have 2. I just turn them inside out. They're kind of crunchy now.
This just reminds me of my fucking brother and my sister-in-law because them niggas trying to do the fucking
cloth diaper.
The cloth diaper. I was like, yo, nigga, it's 2018, nigga. Fuck the environment, nigga. I'm throwing all these shits in a plastic bag and getting that shit out of here. Nigga, this shit stinks.
Give me 10 cloths, give me a big ass rock and a river. Take it back to Jamaica, man. Now, if you excuse me, it's 4 a.m. I'm taking the machete to go scrub some fucking diapers at the river. And everyone's laughing because they're like, ha ha ha, you're a man, you wouldn't do that. Just sleeping in the bed, wake my wife up like,
yo, get up.
What's up? The moon's still up. Why are you sleeping? Let's go.
Yo, you have to do the laundry.
The baby they take the baby with you to the river too.
Go get the water.
Let's turn back over. Go back to sleep.
Wake up at like 3 p.m.
I gotta get up and drive the Esco. I'm tired of the diesel.
Yo, I'm like, yo, what if you can't say, like, what if you, like, how many of those do you gotta carry? Like, I don't even know the science behind that shit. Be like, and also, when you do your laundry,
right?
Like, there's shit that's like kind of dirty, and then there's shit that's like OD dirty.
Super heavy load on the laundry machine.
Do you throw all that shit together, or do you
just throw it in there? You have to hand scrub it before you put it in the washing machine. But it's your baby.
I know.
It's your baby.
It's still doo-doo though.
It's your baby. But I mean, doo-doo is doo-doo, nigga.
Yeah, I know.
It's the same way. It's like,
you ain't gotta tell
rest
me,
in peace,
nigga.
Rocco, the greatest dog ever. When like sometimes he would take a shit. Mad other dogs are taking shits. And I'd pick up his shit. And I'm like, okay, I got no problem picking up his shit, even though it's warm and squished through the bag. But picking up other dog shit, I was like, ew, that's nasty. I don't know them dogs.
I hate when
Fuck that.
when a dog when Brownie shits in grass and it's kind of long and I just and I'm just trying mad hard with the baggie to just grab the whole turd.
But then it's like not coming up.
And then I just got to rip out a whole divot like of some of my neighbor's yard and shit. Like,
here's Jesus helpful hints. If you put like a leaf or some shit on top of it and then scoop it up all together. There you go. Kick a little dirt on it. Solidify it. You know what I'm saying? Give a hoot. Don't pollute. Don't be a dirty bird. Motherfucker. That's our new PSA. Don't fucking pollute,
Don't
pussy.
fucking pollute, motherfucker.
What's wrong with
Fuck
you?
y'all niggas up.
We show like
Fuck outta
the
here.
wild Norwegian family and fucking walking through Times Square. They're getting Auntie Anne's and they throw a napkin down. Like,
yo,
fuck is wrong with you?
niggas,
Look at the
man?
fucking napkin, nigga.
Come through, y'all fucking Peter roll your ass,
Fucking
nigga.
punch your father in the face on the floor with the wild
He's
gush
like,
under it.
why you hit my face?
You fucking graffiti. You fucking polluting our city, nigga.
What's wrong with you?
Fucking
Oh my
wrong with
God.
you, pussy.
Come on, I'm part of the house mafia.
Just flex on top of him. It's like a flinch. It's like New York says, do not pollute. Dead ass.
Dead ass. Is Swedish house mafia even Swedish?
No.
No?
No. Wait.
What the fuck is all these lies? Calvin Harris saying black Swedish house mafia is not Swedish?
Wait, are they? Oh, they actually are?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Can't trust shit anymore.
I mean, they're probably still not a mafia, though.
What was their biggest hit? Yeah, I'm trying to remember. Like they had a joint that was like a joint.
They've had a couple of joints there on the way to Ibiza. That was a good one.
Oh,
you have no idea what song that is.
Ibiza.
You have no idea what.
Ibiza.
I think they did Glad You Came.
Yeah,
Glad you came. That's a cool one. It's like kind of after you so now. I mean, I like one of your stuff when they were like doing the Take One documentaries. But I mean, that's just like to how I feel. It was Miami to Ibiza with Tinny Timpa, who at the time was supposed to be the next big ting.
Miami to Ibiza.
He was supposed to be the next big ting from the UK,
ting.
as we do every 4 months.
Yeah,
the next big ting from the UK.
Yeah. Who is it now? Is it still Stormzy?
No, it's not Stormzy.
Or
He had his run.
It's Gigabyte?
Nah, it's like fucking Mega Drive or some shit. Fucking beans and rice or some shit.
Yo, I threw out a little Ram trilogy the other day for all my jungle drum and bass heads. You know what I'm
Everyone's like, that's what we're gonna be listening to in the future. Like, you look at old movies, like when the Earth is ending, this is what we're listening to. Like, nah, nigga.
They're all listening to Ronnie Size.
No, we're not all listening to fucking Tricky. Niggas just want to, all right? They're just like, yo, civilization is falling. We no longer care about bass lines. Oh man.
It said Ronnie Size. Yo, he's still out here. Yo, shout out to him.
I am the fire starter.
Yo, Twisted Fire Starter. Remember they had the one token black guy in that group and shit?
Shit was like,
Yo! But that hey, niggas use that shit and everything.
that shit right there, that's what doing heroin feels like. I've never done it, but that's what you just like, hey.
And you start leading and shit turns into a Frank Ocean song and shit like
a little sweet age for you. Anyone OD lately? Oh, Mac Miller. Yeah, rest in peace. Damn.
Oh, damn.
No, you gotta. I don't ask these things to be crass, but it's like this in the school shootings. Like you gotta ask nowadays.
Yeah, no, seriously.
Our timeline is a dark one. Think about it. Like,
yeah, every
death
day
happens because of social media. Death is more right there.
Yeah,
like people you don't know that died. Now you're just like, you kind of had the sense of awareness of them. And also, we know people that died now. Like we know Mac Miller, we know Tony, Anthony Bourdain. Yeah, like these people who've killed themselves. Like, oh shit, that shit's weird.
Yo, especially when niggas die. Like, I mean, like it's weird because it's like being from the hood. It's like, yo. Like a nigga gets shot at 20 something and you're like, yo, fuck. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But it's kind of like, oh, okay. But now it's just like, oh, fam, like, nah, you didn't get clapped. Like, you
died for real.
For real. Like,
also, when famous people die, it's a little different because it's just like, in order to get famous, you have to rise above like a certain amount of people. You have to have like special, unique qualities or just get lucky. Yeah. But you know, you're on a little pedestal or whatever. And then it's just like, you think, you know, like you're perilous. Like shit like that's not supposed to happen to you. It's like Ennis Cosby.
Oh man,
Who got killed on his way to a booty call.
Yo, damn, that's the worst. You driving somewhere with a wild boner, nigga, and you just die?
Wasn't he like, he pulled over to help someone who had a flat tire and got killed by a neo-Nazi or some shit like that?
What?
A lot of people don't know that story.
Fam, on the way to a booty call, nigga, I'm not stopping for shit. I'm not even stopping for condoms.
He put off the freight. Oh no, he was fixing his own flat tire. He called a friend, Stephanie, who drove to meet him. She parked behind him, like the area. A man came to her window and told her, "Open the door, I'll kill you." She drove away, but 50 feet away, pulled her car back around. She saw a man running away and found Cosby lying on the ground in a pool of blood next to the driver's side of his dark Mercedes Benz. He had been shot in the head.
Wow.
It appeared robbery was the motive, but Cosby was still wearing a Rolex and had three $20 bills in his pockets.
Yo, what?
Dark days.
Fam.
Did I even know about that?
Yo. First of all, Shorty's wild buns because she fucking just...
She drove off,
She
left
just
the
dipped
nigga.
off and left the nigga like, yo, come on.
You know what? I expect chicks to do that. No, it's different. Like if they think, like, what is she gonna do? Like, I don't know. Damn.
Yo, listen, I don't know.
She was like, skirt. Fuck.
She said, skr, skr, skr.
It's like, yo, wow. I don't want to be the man your TT. Skirt.
Skirt. Like, yo, I'm out of here.
Damn.
Damn.
But as the illustrious Havoc said on a Mobb Deep album, don't never go see a bitch.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay?
That's true. You know what I'm saying? Don't go to foreign projects.
That is the one thing I've learned from Mobb Deep in their seminal work.
We twisted off the Danny.
Trife Life.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay? You know what I'm saying?
Yo, this one got pulled. It's okay. You can play it.
I can't play that. We gotta chill on sample. It's a shame you just can't throw samples anywhere. But then at the same time, as people who like make actual content, we don't want niggas just making shit for free.
Yeah, that's true.
It's a balance.
Yeah,
it would have been better if we were doing this podcast back in the day of like the Beastie Boys Pause Boutique. That's back when you could do the Beastie Boys didn't have to clear no samples, fam.
Nah, so lucky, you bastards. I was reading the fucking rap. Shout out to Shay Serrano. I was reading the rap yearbook. Like niggas really did not have to clear samples at all. Like,
but it wasn't that. There wasn't the internet. It wasn't that.
Yeah.
The level of like the shit spreading. It was because remember back in the day, you had like if you had like a fire album, I had to come with like a blank tape and dub the shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, it wasn't making like 10,000 copies. It wasn't. I wasn't just pressing up a fucking media fire link with a zip shit.
Yo, mega upload, nigga. Hold that Hulk share.
Shout to Zippy Share, keeping the culture going. You know what I'm saying? If you never uploaded the album to the box, then you don't know.
Nah,
actually,
damn, nigga said Boxden.
Boxden. You can still get albums off Boxden. Shit's real. Too late to sign up now, but you know what it is. Real ones only. Every week we talk about the same fucking shit on the show, and I'm gonna listen. I'm a one party candidate, one issue voter. Again, about streaming is a Babylon thing.
Okay,
because on a new Travis Scott album, Frank Ocean does not like the way his lyrics came out on one of the tracks, and he wants the vocals removed. So they're gonna remove the vocals from the Travis Scott album. And since no one bought the album, I did. The version people hear is not gonna have Frank Ocean no more.
I mean,
for you, that's nothing. If you were on Tumblr right now, you'd be crying. Fucking crying and cutting up a Glamour magazine with pictures of fucking Blue Ivy. Fucking painting your bangs magenta and calling yourself Naratu.
Frank Ocean is just like Jacoby Ellsbury. Be like, fam, like, when are you, like, I haven't heard, like, what was the last Frank Ocean joint?
I mean, it's been a while, but his stuff is so good
that you don't need
like he'll have an album
quantity?
and the shit be like this odd, but then he'll have like one song that fucking tear your heart apart. You're like, fuck. You're like, I was just minding my, and that should just come up on shuffle. Now you on the fucking train with your sunglasses on with the wild tears coming out and shit, and you call your third grade girlfriend like, damn, we should have worked shit out.
Like, I'm in the fucking car and shit, like crying, pulled over on the outside of the highway crying. I hit the OnStar and shit, and he's like, do you have a problem? I'm like, yeah, Frank Ocean keep on shuffle me. I don't know, man. I don't know if I'm good.
Frank Ocean had me in the feelings.
Yo, come on, man. Call AAA. AAA comes in. He's like, what happened? Oh, you mad pussy? I bet, yo. I'm gonna just tell you home.
AAA is weird because like for what they do, it shouldn't work, but it does work.
Yeah.
Like, you just pay for like the subscription for the year. No matter where the fuck you break down, they come and get you.
Yeah.
It's
amazing.
And you're like, what's? And then you call them. I called them and I was like, yo, I used to be a member. They was like, no problem. You can pay right now.
Yeah. And it's like nothing.
It's nothing. But then now that I've lived a little and I've seen luxury cars, like that should come standard.
Oh,
do you know Mercedes-Benz?
They got the roadside assistance. Yeah,
for life. For life. Yeah. Like if you buy a Mercedes-Benz from 1980 right now and that shit dies, you call roadside assistance.
They'll pull up. And
they'll pull up and be like, God damn, this shit's old as fuck.
Old as fuck, nigga.
Who used to drive this shit out, bro?
Oh,
God
man. Damn. Yo, give me 30 minutes. I gotta go get some diesel fuel, nigga. I gotta go get some coal to put in this shit.
All the Mercedes-Benz generally use diesel. I saw the power presentation up at the Mercedes-Benz in Parsippany. When you come in there with your car's fucked up, they're like, "Oh my god!" Like they help you to the couch, to give you wine and cheese to soothe your nerves.
Yo,
like, oh my god! So the seat wouldn't recline. Oh my god,
fam!
I can't believe you've gone through that.
That is so crazy because it's like. It's the dichotomy of getting bread. Like once you start getting bread, you stop paying for shit. It makes no like.
You still pay for Mercedes-Benz shit.
Like you're paying for the car, but there's so much extra bullshit. Like and not, beyond cars, like if you walk into Louis Vuitton, like and you are like, yo, I'm gonna buy a wallet. Mm-hmm. They're like, okay, would you like some water, sparkling or still? Would you like a fucking
but see, all that is like,
would you like all this
that
extra
is like
bullshit?
Upsell that's like. It's not really that fancy because when I went to the Breitling store to replace my band, they was like, "Would you like water? Would you like something to drink? Oh my god, sit down over here." And I was like, "This seems all well and good. I'm about to buy a $60,000 watch. You're giving me fucking water. That's not that big a deal. Like I'd have to be an absolute moron to be impressed by this shit. Give me a fucking crab leg or some shit. Give me a chunk of lobster meat. Give me a fucking a lobster roll. Give me a fucking truffle.
I'm new money.
Straight out the dirt.
I'm straight new money, B. I'm very impressed by a bottle of San Pellegrino.
Nah, not me, man. I'm not for this.
I'm like, yo, let me get 5 of them shits. I'll take them shits home. Put them in the fridge.
Nah, not having a little money now. You get to stand back and shit. Like I go in stores now and like I watch how they treat me and shit. Cause I go in stores. What store? I was in the Sonos store the other day, man. And I walked in there and it was like, "Hey, Jesus, you want to see everything?" And I was like, "Fuck, y'all know who I am."
Shit.
They took me in the room. They was like, "Yeah." They was like, "You want to hear all the systems?" And they played fucking Future, I Hate the Real Me, and I was like, God damn.
Oh man.
I was like, do I need? They was like, I'm gonna keep it funky with you. You could just get this one box in your apartment, be good. But I was like, here we go.
Boy.
Here we go. Next thing I know, I'm like walking out with $7,000 worth of speakers, and then like I walk into the register, and I'm like,
what do I do?
Fuck this. Put it on the chair. I was like, yeah, I'll see y'all niggas later. I was like, nah, fuck that. I went to the MTA and I just bought a pair of $20 leaking headphones. I was like, He's like, good enough. What are these, Kobe? Good enough.
Yo, I have fucking humidity in my basement, so I had to buy a dehumidifier. So, of course, I went to PC Richard and Son.
Look at this guy over here.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Be responsible.
Look over here. Mero bragging on the podcast. He got humidity in his basement.
I got a little humidity.
He got a little extra moisture inside his house. Must be nice.
Little moisture.
Nice. I'll grow up in the Bronx, never had humidity. My whole life, my skin was crackling. Didn't even know it was meant to be moist.
I was ashy. I was ashy. Block.
My whole block was ashy. My father was ashy. His father's father was ashy. He used to walk on the floor. His feet sounded like Tim's.
Yo, I copped the dehumidifier.
What kind of dehumidifier you got?
It is a Honeywell, I believe.
Ooh.
You know what I'm saying?
Liters, though?
How many liters,
How many
nigga?
liters?
Yo, listen.
70 pints, nigga.
Here we go talking big liters, nigga.
Big boy shit.
Liters, okay?
You know what I'm saying?
Okay?
70 pints, nigga. We out here.
All my niggas gotta have a lot of fluid in their pints.
Are better. You know what I'm saying?
I'm saying when I hang with a nigga, he gotta have like a lot of fluid just hanging right there.
You know what I mean?
Yo, go empty your pints.
Come on, B.
Go empty your pints, nigga.
Yo, if your shit don't come in, out of here, nigga. If you don't get your bucket full every day, nigga,
yo,
you lacking.
You know what I'm saying?
Fuck out of here.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? If you see Mero, you see me, let me know. We never in no fucking humidified basements. That's on blood, nigga.
Nah,
okay, that shit gotta be at 68%.
You know what I mean?
Humidity. Check your barometers, nigga.
Air so dry your nose bleed, nigga. As soon as you step in the place.
Ain't no mildew in this basement.
Never, nigga. Fuck all y'all mold spores,
fuck
nigga.
That. Fuck black mold. Fuck white mold. Fuck all of that. Okay.
Yo.
If you in Mero's basement right now, listen. Be clear.
Understand, New York.
You can put a piece of parchment.
That's right.
In Mero's basement, that should be good.
Yo, you can take the Constitution out the protective wrap, nigga.
Take it out of this Mylar bag.
You know what I'm saying? We good.
You good.
Nicholas Cage might steal the shit, but still.
Listen, Mero dehumidified his basement to freedom. Damn!
I actually bought that shit, and then I bought the air purifiers just so I could smoke because I turned the other room into like a closet.
Yeah.
But fucking, the point of that is that I went to, like you're saying, like you walk into stores now and people recognize you, and immediately it's like, yo. But this time it was like kind of the opposite because like I went in there just for the dehumidifier.
Yeah.
And I ended up buying a bunch of shit. And the dude was like, yo, I fuck with the show when y'all niggas coming back. Yo, I cop Showtime just for y'all. Man hype. He's like, yo, you know Dylan Betances from the Yankees? I was like, yeah, it's my man. He's like, yo, I'll be texting with the nigga. He's like, yo, I'll be giving the nigga discounts I ain't even supposed to give niggas, and I'm gonna hook you up. I was like, thanks, Tyrone. So I left out of there with like $500 worth of shit for like $100. I was like, yo, I'm about to start using this shit to my advantage.
Did you just get him fired?
Pretty much. Pretty much.
Nah, he's the manager.
They're like,
he's the manager.
Yeah, Tyrone, bring a dumbass to HR.
It was like 4 times. They're gonna fire every Tyrone.
I don't think being manager is base.
I got 2 air purifiers. 2 HEPA purifiers.
Yeah, you need those.
But they work in tandem. They're wireless. Yeah. So they like know when you leave the room and then they go down and come back up.
Yeah.
My cat be like bugging out.
Yeah.
You know? My cat can't believe we've had in my cat's mind the glow up was all in like 2 days. They was like, this nigga got a fucking fingerprintless garbage can. I was like, yeah. I was like, you eating good. I bought that cat so many fucking toys, and the cat's favorite toy of all time
is like some
if I just
dirty old
take
shit.
rubber bands and tie them together. That's all he wants.
Fam.
All he wants. Meanwhile, he got the fucking holographic fucking mouse I bought from fucking Petco over here. It's just like $900. Got some terabyte. It comes with cloud storage and shit. He don't even fuck with the shit.
You know how mad that makes me, fam?
I be sitting there playing it with myself. Like, look, you missing out.
You missing out. It's just mad fun.
I'm on my back,
it's
like
mad
dangling
fun.
the fucking shit.
It's mad fun.
Got the mouse in my mouth. Look like Look who's having fun.
Look,
I'm having fun.
Look at me. Look at me.
Look who's a bad bitch with a cat. Look, I'm cleaning myself.
Stupid. I bought Brownie one of those fucking stupid balls that just runs around with the raccoon tail at the end. No interest in it whatsoever. The only thing she plays with is this fucking filthy ass first ball I ever bought you. Like shit stinks like to
this dirty.
like to
You don't even
hell.
want to touch it.
That's what makes it so good.
Yeah, like I don't even want to touch it, and she just loves that shit and just like shakes it around. I'm like, you nasty bitch.
Does this turn into a porno?
I'm like, yeah, okay, chew that ball, you
spin your ball.
Yeah. I hate spinning her ball because it's like she has long butt hair and like sometimes doo gets stuck in there.
Whoa! What topics are we talking about right now? Are we talking about Pino spinning in the butthole? Whose butthole you spinning in has long hairs on their butt?
I do not spit my dog's butt, but hypothetically speaking, I would not spit my dog's butt.
Oh,
because she has doo hanging off the hairs.
You don't
of her
use
butt.
wipes on your dog?
I don't.
You don't.
Heather does.
You
like
don't.
I don't. I can't. Heather does. I can't do it. Heather will pick the fucking dog up, put her in the sink like a baby. Make sure the water's perfectly warm, and then use like the dog shampoo to like gently massage the dookie off her butt.
Because I'm like, yo, jumping on like the couch and shit.
Yeah, I'm like, yo, y'all white niggas is different. Nah, Brownie's not allowed on the couch. But my mother-in-law will bring her
humane.
My mother-in-law, though, she'll bring the fucking dog to the crib, and that fucking motherfucker will just jump all over my couch. I'm like, yo, get your fucking dog off my couch, B. I paid cash for this motherfucker, and there's 3 electronic recliners, dog. If this bitch pees on my couch, we gonna have issues. You know what I'm saying? Like, get the fuck out of here. She's like, well, my dog is a service dog. I'm like, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck.
See the dog still look like, thank you for your service.
Like, nigga, what?
Yo,
nigga did 2 tours in Fallujah?
He's like, yo.
Like, come on.
He was like, the fucking Iraqis had us pinned down.
Yo, I'm like, what are you talking about, nigga?
Had 39 bullets left in my clip, let me tell you.
Fucking.
He pulls out like a half-burned cigar and shit.
Like, yo, I'm like, fucking Lieutenant Lassa Opso. Like, get the fuck out of here.
I had 4 fucking rations left. I knew the next save point was 4 clicks away.
All I had was a quarter can at Little Caesars.
So listen, I called in one of the cooking care packages in a VTO warship. Like, oh, what were you in? That's me at Foley's line to like World War II vets and shit. I was like, yeah, these fucking had my back to the wall. So I called in, a dog package. And I put up a sentry gun. Yeah, that's what I did. And then I
put some claymores down.
Yeah, that's what I did. Yeah,
claymores.
Yeah.
and I had the Akimbo M18s.
But yeah, once I put up the Guardian and they all died from radioactive poison, that was mine. Yo, shout out to Ninja on Fortnite, who I have made the unfortunate mistake of following on Instagram. If you want to feel stupid, because now let's all keep it funky. We all suck at Fortnite. I don't care how good anyone in this room says you are. We all suck at Fortnite because all of us are past the age of 22 and our bodies do not respond to shit fast enough for us to beat these little kids.
Also, like, these dudes get very specific gaming setups.
I'm not even talking about these dudes. I'm talking about regular fucking kids. Like, the younger you are, the better you are at Fortnite. I didn't even know you had to, like, lead with a bullet. I'm over here aiming at people. You got to shoot a little ahead of them. Game changer. Desus just helped you. But
my 5-year-old knows that. I didn't know that.
But that fucking Ninja, fam, he fired a rocket yesterday. His boy jumped on the rocket and then used the grappling hook to keep, like, they kept pulling on each other and they used the rocket to go across the map. What? Fam, I can't shoot people.
Like, dog.
I can't build the fort.
Fam, what amazes me is, like, I'll watch my kids play this shit and, like, they're building as they're shooting niggas.
Yeah.
Like, there's niggas shooting from every angle and they're building up. Like, start falling, build, catch me. I'm like, dog, I could, like, barely wrap my brain around, like, I play this shit like it's Call of Duty. Like, I don't build shit. Like, once niggas start shooting at me, I put up a brick wall and then I just, like, duck behind this shit and then come out and start clapping niggas. But, like, I'm like, yo, y'all are how?
You gotta get fast with it. You gotta get fast with it. Every time I build shit, like, the city comes and the contractor's like, whoa, you got a permit for this? whoa, he's adding a deck on over here. Hey, let me see a deed.
Hey, Andy, come celebrate your victory by getting this fucking Moulignan out of here. He's
doing the fucking L dance in front of me. Like, yeah, we're taking this fucking dock down.
Hey, fuck you.
Whoa, unauthorized dock, huh? Where'd you get this wood from? This looks like the fucking wood that was chopped up over there in Metal Miles over there.
Yeah, guess you couldn't outrun the storm, ball bag.
Yeah, you melted your own totem towers? Yeah, all right, we'll see what's going on over here.
Yo,
they need to make a Fortnite for wash niggas, and it's just like
that's
sofas.
It.
No, just sofas on it. Like, you get off the bus and you dive and be the first to get on a sofa and take a nap. Like, there's 3. Like, the last one, like, you know, when you got, like, wake niggas off the sofa and shit. So niggas have, like, pillows and shit.
Yo. They got, but actually, there needs to be a washed section of, like.
They have it. It's called Playgrounds.
Okay.
It's Playgrounds. I went on there, you know, leveled up. I got to number, I want to say 24 in a battle royal the other day. And the person that killed me won the whole thing. So I didn't feel that bad.
Yeah, that's what it's like.
However, after they killed me, they went to the part of Fortnite with the fucking mushrooms, and they got all the mushrooms, and they 100% shield.
Oh, the Smurf
and I was
dicks.
like, wow. I was like, they ain't playing around.
The Smurf
They not
dicks.
playing around. And then they got caught by the storm, but then they had the thing that makes you drop down again, and it was killing it. It was killing it. Shout out to you, Hot Wang 00. That was your name.
It's real
name, real person. It's real person. You listen to this, you're like, oh, wow.
I know my kids are way too much into technology because I'm like, yo, I was like, I was cool with, like, just like, yo, do you with the Nintendo Switch,
right?
Like, it has internet, it has Wi-Fi, like, you can download shit, but I don't care because, like, there's no credit card attached to the shit. You're not gonna get in-app purchases. I'm straight,
right?
Motherfucker downloaded Fortnite, made a username that's like AR258 because, you know, like, 5 years old, they can barely read AR7819 blah 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 blah. And I'm just like, I come downstairs and I'm like, yo, what are you doing? I just hear I'm like, nigga, that don't sound like Mario Odyssey. He's like, no, I'm playing Fortnite.
You can't leave your kids alone on the internet. I remember the worst thing my father ever told me. He was like, don't ever go on the computer without one of us around. Because that's basically like, yo, the best time to go on the computer is when your parents are not around.
Oh, yeah.
That's when I was like hacking shit in Germany just for fun. I remember I stole someone's thesis and I printed it out and I brought it to school just to show it off. And everyone was like, what the fuck is this? And I was like, no, it's from Germany.
Remember cheaters.com?
What?
Cheater.com or cheat.com? It was like the original, like, paper plagiarism website.
Tell the tale, no.
Yeah, it was literally like a fucking.
They had term papers.
Yeah, it was literally like a fucking archive of term papers.
I thought this was totally different.
Yeah. No, I was just some Ashley Madison shit. No.
Nah, they used to always have, like, you could download her torrent profiles that would have, like, ID templates in it, term paper templates. You could download whole semesters of like college courses. Shit should be lit. You just have to learn shit. Because college is a scam. Let's keep it funky. College is one of the biggest scams in America next to health insurance.
Oh my God.
Health insurance should be cash. You should pay. Nothing should be more than $50.
That's it.
That's it. Everything.
Anytime you go to do anything, it should be like $30 max.
Yeah.
Like, yeah. I think 35 is reasonable.
How? Like, think about it. How much? Like those radiotherapy machines. How much you think they cost?
Oh, like
I don't even. I'm calling them radiotherapy machines.
Like an MRI?
Radiation therapy machine.
Oh,
Let's say
radiation therapy?
A LINAC, a linear accelerator.
A linear accelerator. That
Yes.
sounds about like maybe 15 grand.
Let's see. All right. Okay, that's $4 million. Now, see, but I mean,
But why is it $4 million?
doesn't it pay for itself after a couple uses?
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? If you put like a coin slot on it,
You know what I'm saying?
Maybe niggas like, yo, you got this MRI, yo, you got like niggas stop the MRI, like, yo, you got change? You got change for $1? I'm like, yo, you gotta make a purchase.
You must deposit 25 cents to continue your MRI.
Nigga, you got the one. They put in 2 dimes in a quarter.
It's just about to reach your knee and like at the what you're trying to look at, and it's like, sorry, nigga, your ACL is fucked.
Oh, okay. Well, you gotta also buy fucking radiation for the shit. All right, that makes
You
sense.
gotta buy radiation. Where the fuck do you buy radiation?
I'm just at Home Depot like, yo,
y'all niggas got
I'm in
radiation.
the lights department. I'm like, yo, radiation lights up. I guess they'll be here.
Yo,
Papi, you got uranium?
Okay, uranium is in the nursery with the flower.
No, not geraniums. I need uranium. I need uranium like a HC-78 with a 32-year half-life.
HC-78 is good. It's a good power drill. It's in IO-29A. It's
Uranium.
very good.
Uranium. It should go like wong. It's a great.
Oh, you want like a long dong?
Oh wow.
Oh, the construction worker outside, he said he have a long dong for you.
Meanwhile, you just like drive to some scrapyard on like East Tremont. It's just like they're like uranium in the back.
It's in the back there.
It's like a pile of just like loose uranium and shit. It's just all dented up.
It just came in. There's like a crackhead with a shopping cart full of uranium, like unloaded and shit. Like yo, papi, how much you think I can get for this yellow cake? You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying?
Also, my skin is falling off. That's supposed to happen.
That's crazy.
Got too
Yo,
close.
well, I can't see him right now for like a week, but you know,
I mean,
that's regular.
that's all right. I'm just going on the left side. Remember, you can buy uranium on the dark web.
Yo,
That's what the news was scared. They're like, you can buy uranium on
the dark web. Oh my god.
on the dark web.
What is a dark web, nigga? Get out of here with
Dark
this
web is
fucking.
just some shit they tell you to like scare your parents.
That's
and
just
shit.
nigga. That's some DC Universe shit.
Because also, if you a nasty net nigga, okay, for my nasty net nigga, you don't gotta go into like Tor and all that shit.
Oh, my triple N's.
All my niggas that do illegal shit do that shit straight through Twitter.
Yeah.
I mean, straight buying like blank credit cards,
Yeah.
buying guns. Like niggas don't know how DMs work. They're like, the government can't. Nah, the government can't see this because I did it like an incognito browser.
You know what I'm saying?
Like, that's not how it works.
Nah, it's not how it works at all, fam.
put tape
It
over
even
my
says
webcam.
that. Like when you put the incognito browser, it's like, yo, this is incognito for your shit, nigga, so that your wife doesn't find out that you're watching
It
big
says
web butts.
activity might still be visible to websites you visit, your employer or school, your internet service provider,
So,
your
basically-
wife, the FBI. All right, nigga, we know you're going to big wet butts. Big wet butts for
Yo,
the
big up, spunk bang.
Big butts.
Oh, okay.
I mean,
I see.
we just looking out here.
Okay.
Just looking at the timeline. Whatever's on the timeline, I'm not concerned. I can't control what's on my timeline. I'm sorry. You know, I log on 3 times a day to see what latest scriptures and soup recipes have been posted by the very wholesome people I follow. And every now and then,
you're bombarded
every
by
now
filth.
and then, Satan sneaks filth into my timeline.
That's it.
I pray.
I pray.
You got to pray just to make it today.
Yeah.
But I pray that, you know, I don't have to see filth, but every now and then you see filth.
Sometimes
It's
you
just
see filth, man.
terrible.
You
Like
try to
sometimes,
avoid
you
it.
know, I'm just trying to log on to see where I could donate money to help with the hurricane thing.
Yeah.
And what do I see? Some big gaping hole.
Yeah.
It's like,
You know what I'm saying?
too much. So,
You know what I'm saying?
And I got to scroll away.
And then you just hear homie in the background like, yeah, let me see the gape. Let me see the gape.
You know, I gotta see nasty shit on my timeline.
Come on.
And now, not only I have to save the image and then like, you know, scroll past it and like see if it was a still from a video or if it was like a one-time thing.
Yeah, you got to make sure like
You know
that
what I'm saying?
it's really actually filth and
Just
not.
testing my faith out
You know
here.
what I'm saying? Come on, B.
I'm just trying
Please.
I'm just trying to be religious.
I think that's extremely creepy though. Like
What?
when you're watching a Pino. Like if I'm watching a Pino, like I'm just trying to watch the Pino.
And I come behind you and I'm like, what are you watching? Watching the little Pino.
I just sit there pantsless like, yo, my man.
I've seen this one already. I've seen this one already.
How do you know the garage code? Niggas like, I came in through the skylight.
I've been watching you, Mero.
Niggas watching me jerk off through my skylight. Like, yo.
I'm like, hey, Mero.
Yo.
Hey, Mero.
Oh, shit. What the fuck? Oh.
Hey. I did you a solid now. You know, I've been watching through the skylight, and I think you can lose a couple strokes off your stroke, if you know what I'm saying. I brought in Tiger Woods here. He's a stroke expert. He's going to show you how to, like, really work the shaft.
He's like, oh, listen to me. I got a lot of trouble with exterior pussy. So what I'm going to do is right now is teach you how to masturbate at a professional tour level.
Yeah, Tiger was saying that you're hooking left. You're hooking left, you're adding like 5-6 strokes. It's like a Brazil scene. You should be like 3 and done. Tiger, show him the pump and dump.
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at my stroke. Straight. Look at the velocity on the release. Woo. Nigga nut and then like look at it like fucking a golf swing. Like, ooh. The crowd's like,
whoa, oh my.
The shit lands around the hole. Like sickles in like, yeah.
Yes. Oh my god, it's amazing. Nigga does a slow-mo fist pump gif.
Yeah.
Like, yes. Tiger with the 90
high five, but he got the nut on his hand, so the hands slip apart. Nasty.
Yeah.
Nasty.
Gives you a better grip on your club.
Imagine if women came the way men came.
Oh my god.
How terrifying would that be?
Yo, that'd be kind of lit.
Would it?
I'm a nasty nigga.
No, but what if
I'm
it was, what if it was
nasty
completely
nigga.
reversed and men didn't come, but women came OD nasty? Like it would be disgusting. Yeah, like a woman
OD?
came on you and shit.
Oh man,
like she just leave you on the bed like.
I'm exposed. To,
and then she gotta go get a towel and wipe you down, just sitting there like a newborn baby, like.
Like I just got like
you was in Ghostbusters and a Slimer just ran through.
Like I just got like had this comb on my eyelashes.
You
like
just like fucking you like turning your face like. Tell me when you were about to come. This is nasty.
Damn,
make your face tight like. Yeah.
I'm a nasty nigga.
Bend back, make your ankles tap. Yeah. Word to Ghana. I'll tongue kiss a piranha. Electrocute a barracuda. I'm here to bring the drama.
Yo, none of my verse on this song made any sense whatsoever.
That was my that was the cover letter on my resumes. I don't understand why I never got no calls. He see? Blowtitious. It was like,
what is this? What are you?
It's like who's Mr. Blowtitious?
Who's he? She blowtitious?
Stevie. Delicious.
I was
Give
like,
me kush, cause love me good. Next time you have a job interview and they call you back, that's how you do that right there. I guarantee you get the job.
Oh yeah, for sure. That
they're like, so we want to talk about your salary requirements. Like, Papa love it when he does it.
Oil up your ankles, make your Tim's tap.
Like, so okay, it's not Tim Taps, but you do get health insurance.
Sure. Yo, if you don't give me this raw job, nigga, I'm gonna go rah like a dungeon dragon, nigga.
Hey.
You better believe that I'm a true indeed.
Have you seen Fitty been roasting? What do you call it? Busta Rhymes, call him a fat boy.
Oh, he's gonna roast Busta Rhymes?
Yeah.
Isn't it cool with Tekashi?
Who? Everyone's cool with Tekashi. Kanye and Tekashi have a song coming out.
Wow.
Kanye working with all the young people is kind of creepy now. Like he got the Little Pump song, he got the 6ix9ine song. He got that L with the last album.
Yeah, he's like, yo, I need to come back with like with something for the youth them.
For the youth them people them.
Yo, he's hitting
Kanye ring.
I guarantee you, next song he does is like with like fucking Trippie Redd or like Space Ghost Perp or some shit like that. Guaranteed.
Russ or somebody.
Nigga said Russ. Is that the dude that's like, hey guys, don't do drugs. Drugs are bad.
Yeah, he was, but you know what? He put the hands on little bands the other day. So
on Lil Xan?
Little bands.
Little bands?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't even keep up anymore.
You gotta keep up.
Little bands?
Young bands. Excuse me.
Young bands. The Russ Diamond nigga beat up Little Bands?
Young bands.
Oh, Young Bands? Sorry.
Damn. You sound like two undercover cops getting ready to go to a school. Get your shit straight. Young Bands got washed by Russ. How many times I gotta fucking tell you?
Come on, man.
All right?
I'm still on.
Now remember, it's Blicky with the sticky. That's 369.
Okay.
That's not 369
on the regular.
On the regular.
Yeah,
you see, he got new feet. He got new teeth.
He got new teeth?
You gotta catch
He got new rainbow teeth?
No, he got like real
regular
choppers.
teeth.
He got regular.
It's about fucking time. A nigga look like a fucking rainbow bright vampire for like the past.
Nah, he got like
months.
the Kid Cudi choppers that everyone gets when you first get new teeth. See, look at him.
Oh no, nigga got the normies.
You mean I got the fucking? You ever seen the episode of Family Guy when Brian loses his teeth and he gets like the fucking new teeth? That's the shit he got.
Yo,
that's what I'm like. When niggas get new teeth, they always look too big at first.
Yo,
it's like the guy.
If I have been smoking cigarettes for a gajillion years, I finally stopped smoking cigarettes. Cigarettes make your teeth yellow. Bleaching your teeth damages your teeth.
Not if you get it professionally done.
Doesn't it make your teeth porous?
No, that's like if you do it at home. If you get it professionally done with like a tray and like they do the fucking ultra lighting.
Oh, so then I could do that.
Right.
That's better.
If you're just doing it, if you just go to Rite Aid and buy a $12 fucking teeth bleaching kit with fucking free pair of Hazel contacts, yeah, that's what's gonna happen. Bad bitch alert.
Yeah, I'm out here, flat tummy tea.
He spent $12K on new teeth.
Okay, nigga spent $100,000 on a clown chain and 12 on his own personal hygiene.
Damn, look at him. He looked like your auntie that got clean and shit.
Yeah,
like, yeah,
Bobby, you know, I'm good now, Bobby. I know I was crazy back in the day. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry for what I put the family through, but I'm glad we're still together. I'm glad we're still here to like celebrate and shit.
I just want to say, everybody hold hands and thank you to our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ that we is able to be together here today on Thanksgiving.
You're mad religious.
I made the penny, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate you.
Don't eat her food. Don't eat her food. You see how nasty her food is.
Julio, I heard that. Julio, I heard that. I've been working very hard on my penny.
There's cat hair on the top of that, okay? I'm sorry.
Well,
I'm sorry. I have to be the one to say this. Every year there's cat hair on the pernil.
Well, let me tell you something, Papi. It adds flavor to the dish, and
Fuck
also
that. Get your stuff. We'll leave it.
It adds flavor to the. That's
I'm not coming back
That's
here.
oregano, Papi.
Okay.
That's not hair.
Tired of this.
That's not hair.
We live better than this.
I'm clean now.
Yeah.
I'm clean now.
Barely.
I only shoot between my toes now.
Damn.
That's it. And I got a job. I'm a waitress at Crosstown Diner.
Shoot between my toes.
Fam, I had a waitress at a diner the other day that I was like, fam, yo, ma, you are like the quintessential ex-head shorty. Like, I was just like, God damn, bro. Like, it almost made me not want to eat my food. Cause she had the wild 3 dudes' names tatted on her neck type shit.
I mean, you gotta do that till it works out.
You know what I'm saying?
She tried different names till it works out.
You know what I'm saying? And she had that gravelly ass where she's like, "Hey, honey, what do you want to start to drink? You
that
want
fucking
water?
throat, ma. What's up?
You want some water?"
That shit feel as raspy as it sounds.
And
yeah.
yo, honestly, I feel like if I would have propositioned her, she would have been like, I mean, meet me in the bathroom in 5.
Oh, nice.
I know you're with your wife and everything like that, but I got my dentures come out really easily.
Oh, nice.
I give you the gummiest gummy you ever got.
Her choke smell like fucking casino floor.
Yeah. The choke smell like Route 4, nigga.
Yeah.
After you hit a skunk.
Yeah. The guys at the fucking American Legion call this the fucking Everglades.
Oh, God.
Why don't you go down below, taste a little of the Meadowlands if you know what I mean?
Yeah, come on. Yeah. That's why Eli's playing him like he's playing.
That's it. It's not New Jersey Transit, but give me that choo-choo, Big Daddy.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah.
I want your Saquon and my Barkley.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Jets, Jets, yeah.
Yeah.
It's got on a fucking Jets fire hat.
The fire hat and shit. I'm like, yo, get Shorty out of here.
Fucking fireman Ed is watching this shit.
She pulls out the little notepad instead of a pen. It's like a syringe on top. I'm like, oh man.
Wow.
Damn, the fuck
She's
are you
just
doing?
casually adding Narcan to her morning tea.
Would you like sweet and low or some Suboxone?
It's like creamer. Suboxone.
Yo!
We should offer a bodega box, and every month we offer different. You can add a spice from New Jersey.
Okay.
I add something from the Bronx.
Okay.
Some Narcan.
A little Narcan? All right. A little Square Cash card or something?
Square Cash card,
You know what I'm
and
saying?
an unreleased podcast.
Nice.
From when we used to do the podcast back in the 80s, we were mad homophobic and very problematic.
Talk about grade and shit like that. Yeah.
Or even some of our older. We're gonna start doing super retro. Desus, Bodega Boys from 1910 and shit.
Oh yeah.
And they're gonna be really controversial because we'll be yeah.
She was a real looker,
Yeah,
she showed me her ankle, so
Yeah.
I took the choach.
Wow, whoa, someone turned on the problematic kid.
Hey.
Yeah, what we gotta go because the film can only be 5 minutes long now. The whole time they're knocking it like, you niggas get out the studio.
Get out of the studio, goddamn. God damn it.
Hasan, you might want to go out the back way. It seems they're busting heads over here. Let's get out of here. Trick, skidoo. Only way to listen to it is like on the big the fucking turntable that has like the big horn on the shit. I gotta crank it on the corner.
Niggas run out the back of the studio with top hats and shit, jump in the Chunky White's car.
Hey, get the art. Get your art. It's like a 7-year-old spat selling it.
Get your art here.
Hey, give me a cup of that art. Nigga, give him a nickel. Stands and reaches on the corner like, yeah. Hey, buy it. Hey, sir, you want to buy an apple for 5 cents? Get the fuck out of here.
Get out of here. My mother said I got to sell all these apples before my shift at the Triangle Shirtwaist Factory.
Hey, Michael Anthony. Did you take in the crops? Did you take in the crops before the Dust Bowl? Michael Anthony, thank you for closing on our house.
Fuck you, Ma. Fuck you. Nucky Thompson said he's coming through with some hot bags. I need it.
Michael Anthony, are you going to the Boston Tea Party?
Yeah, I am. They got tons of bags. I heard they had tons of bags.
Michael Anthony's getting lit off tea and shit.
They got the tea and spoon and shit. Like,
oh, wow.
They looking like Pookie and shit.
Oh, man.
Nigga Benjamin Franklin's like, who let this Negroid on our ship?
Oh, Ben Franklin. Ben Franklin had hits, too.
Yo.
Ben Franklin was making shit.
Nigga had the almanac and shit. Like, you think he was just making shit? Was he just making shit up?
Yeah, he seemed like he was annoying. I mean, like, after a while, you'd be like, all right, I'm enough to ready. Ben,
nigga.
chill.
Like, imagine being at the crib. Like,
that sound exhausting.
Yeah. Imagine, like, he's your roommate and you just chilling at the crib, smoking a blunt, like, watching TV or whatever that hasn't been invented yet. And he's just like, yo, I got an idea. And the nigga grabs a kite and a fucking wire and a key and goes outside.
Yeah.
I'm like, what are you doing, fam?
This nigga be doing too much.
What are you doing this dumb shit?
You're making that hot. Come inside, nigga.
Come inside, you fucking Cuomo.
Like, yo, let me borrow your keys. Watch this.
Watch this. Yo, I can discover electricity.
Ben Franklin was the original Boom Gang.
Whole lot of bad shit.
He out there flying the couch and shit. Like, oh, to get electrocuted. Like,
whole lot of bad shit, nigga.
Nigga run away after getting electrocuted and shit. Nigga just dive into the fucking Constitution. Knock mad ink over and shit.
Nigga take his glasses off, eat them shits. I'm like, yo, what the fuck are you doing, fam? Your teeth are wood.
He goes where they're selling slaves and shit. He just dives into like the fucking actionaire and shit.
Whole lot of slave shit, nigga.
Oh, boom.
Like, yo, what the fuck? Also, isn't he on video making out with bad Barbie or whatever? Isn't that like wild snatcher story?
I don't even know at this point.
Like Book is like 25 and Shorty's like 15.
I'm about to say the wild problematic Yankee fan thing, but you know what? I let the law handle that. I'm on the path chain that's clearly ignoring some shit behind me. Hey, you know what? None of my business. How about that?
Hey, I don't care.
Okay?
Who cares?
Who are you, Colin Kaepernick? What do you care?
What do you care? Fucking take a knee if you care so much, you piece of shit.
All right?
I hope you tear a fucking ligament.
Why don't you take 2 knees? Take 2 knees while you're down there, blow me. How about that, Colin Capper shit? Yo, they have people who hate Colin Kaepernick have the worst nickname for him.
Oh, they don't even try to rhyme him or do anything cool with him.
Yeah, whatever.
Like...
Coward Kaepernick. Yeah, take that.
Yeah.
These colors don't run. Now, if you mind me, you can send this motorized scooter and go to Walmart. Get me a shotgun, some tires, and some onions.
Yo, when you pull up and you put this shit on, it's just like, what are you? Because it's always in the movies, like people go and like they put like a shovel and tarp and zip ties on the thing. It's like, bruh, why wouldn't you just like throw in like
to throw it off
some Skittles?
Whoa, you got Skittles money?
Like,
okay, I got enough money for a shovel, like, some gloves, and some lime. Okay, Skittle money.
Like throw a fucking electrical blanket in there or some shit, nigga. Like
they're like, you're building a shit. No, I'm burying a body.
I'm burying a body, nigga. What's
you
up?
Want to be next?
What's good?
Okay, keep it moving. Oh, by the way, I have a discount card.
Yeah.
Do I get reward points? Oh wow. I'm only 180. Wait.
Would you like to open up a murder card?
Yeah. Do I get 15% back?
Yeah, 50% back on every homicide you commit.
Wow, can't beat that. Those savings are killer. They need to come up with a store that's just only sells stuff for you to kill people with, and on your way out you get arrested.
Oh shit!
You're welcome, NYPD. I've solved the crime rate.
There you go.
How you feel?
And
now we're gonna do a next thing called Tinder voting, and like you match people up with who they voted for.
Oh, okay.
But you go on your first date in a booth for 5 minutes.
Was that an episode of Black Mirror?
No.
It should be.
No.
We just keep giving shit away.
Nah, we're not giving nothing away now. We're not making Black Mirror. Now we're making Whack Mirror.
Whack Mirror.
It's just like kind of fucked up situations and shit.
You get on the bus and it's just, your Metro card is like, bomb.
It's just got a scratch on a Metro card. Now you got to stand it in. It's like, don't Whack Mirror.
Damn.
Yo.
Shit.
Or like, you get up mad early and you're like, yo, I'm going to be on time for work today. Yo, killing it. You keep looking at the watch like, I'm making some good time.
Yeah.
And you get to work and it's Saturday.
So you're like, oh,
Whack Mirror.
shit. Whack Mirror.
Oh, wow.
You go
Or
to
like,
Uber and shit. You're like, yo, I'm going to New York. And they're like, oh, papi, I can't go to New York because I have to come back. It's a TLC law. And you have to call another
no, they
Uber.
take you to New York, but you get caught in traffic.
No.
That's it. I mean, you eventually get there. It's going to take that long and shit. You're just on the fucking turnpike. Like,
Oh my God. Sweating like,
shit's whack.
I'd rather fuck a pig.
Your flight, you like a free trip to Paris and shit, like all expense paid, and you pack it and all this shit, and then they're like, yo, you gotta print out your ticket. And you look, you got no toner. You go to your neighbor like, yo, can you print this out? And he's like, nah, Jesus said you just can't be printing shit for niggas.
Can't be printing
Sorry.
for niggas. Sorry.
That's not you.
You're like, yo, but I am Jesus.
Get out of here. Skedaddle.
Get out of here.
Fucking boarding pass ass nigga.
To quote the fucking illustrious Victor, skedaddle, nigga.
How do you, like, now that you have like the apps, they're just like, oh, you don't need to print a boarding pass. But before that, there was like, print a boarding pass, peasant. How else would we know it's you?
Yeah, I'm like, what? I'm like, nigga, I'm holding my phone upside down on this thing and I'm going on the plane. Shut up.
Also, what's with them? They don't want to hold your phone. They're like, oh, you do it.
Yeah, because they're getting lazy now. That's what it is. You know what I'm saying? The TSA virus is extending into all aspects of air travel. You know what I'm saying? Adidas made a pair of shoes for an athlete with 12 toes. My follow-up question to that is, have you ever dated somebody with more than one toe?
No.
No?
No, absolutely not. That's a deal breaker.
Is that a deal breaker? Like if Shorty's bad, but she got like 7 toes on one foot?
He doesn't. It can't be bad with 7 toes. That's like, you gotta take points right off for that.
Yo, you can't. What if she gives you the mean foot job, nigga, the first time? Like,
because the whole time that extra toe gonna be like, "What's up, y'all?
What's good, B?
What's good?"
Like he's just sitting,
Just
like,
chilling in the cut, like, "Yo."
Yeah, you ever seen like a Pinot scene where it's just like the shorty's just like there, like watching, like not doing anything. It's supposed to be a threesome, and she's just there, like, oh
she's
yeah,
bored, and someone off camera is gonna be like, "Why don't you suck his dick?
Yeah, do something,
Do something,
do something."
She's just half-heartedly like,
yeah, whatever. I'll lick her butt, I guess. That's the extra toe. That's what the extra toe does. Just watch the airplane with its off. Like, oh, it's so hot. Yeah, so hot.
I guess it's extra toe. Nobody wants an extra toe.
Oh, some things can be endearing. Like a shorty with like a little snaggle tooth. You know what I'm saying? Or like maybe like a scar.
Yeah.
Or
Well,
like
I mean,
or
most
like
of that stuff, a lot of stuff you don't see until like after you break up with them. Because I had a dated shorty, she had like the wild fucked up lower grill. Like I look back at photos now, I was like, God damn, how good is that? But you know what I'm saying? When you know you were blinded by a relationship and love, you don't see shit like that. So you be like, look at my boo with her perfect teeth.
Oh, she's so beautiful.
Meanwhile, she eating corn on the fucking spiral and shit. Like, fix your chaps, y'all. Fix your yaps.
Yo, damn! Shout out to Florida, not the state. The girl who I dated in high school who got shot in the eye with a BB gun, so her eye floated all the time, like. But she was bad, bro. She was bad. Like when I tell you bad,
I know it's
like
not how it works.
like Bernice Burgos bad.
Get the fuck out of here!
I'm not.
Get the fuck out! Who the fuck's man is this? Get the fuck out of here!
Yo, Mike, Oscar, call 1-800-223-9797. Co-sign me. Co-sign me.
Did you not just say her eye floats?
It floated.
Okay,
but she was bad.
There's one thing that's beautiful when it floats. Steph Curry's shot. Shorty's eye, not so much.
I was like, damn.
She gave you the wild toppy, and now she's looking at your fucking speakers and shit too. No. Put a fucking eye patch over that, Captain Jack.
Oh,
yeah. Her eye floated. You said her eye floated.
Yeah.
Her eye floated. Like the Isleys on float on, float on, float on. Nah, man, we can't be having floating eyes.
Floating eyes.
You and the floating eyes.
Damn, she was bad though.
What's she up to now?
She's probably a phlebotomist.
Are you still fans with her? Or are you still friends with her on Instagram?
Probably on Facebook, but I don't go on Facebook anymore because it's like Satan's playing ground.
Okay.
It's full of misinformation and lies.
I mean, it's good for some stuff. You could get a couple recipes and spread some.
Yo, those fucking recipes where it's just like a fucking overhead montage of a nigga making some wild casserole shit. Like, there's so many of those on Facebook. Where do they come from? BuzzFeed? Like, what the fuck, B? Like, it's like, oh, make a 5-minute lasagna. All you need is 2 eggs and a bread.
Yeah,
like, nigga, there's no pasta, no sauce.
Make a wedding cake and a coffee cup.
Yeah, like, why would I want to do this?
This is not like, yo, did you ever want to make 9 hot dogs in a coffee mug at work? You're like, nigga, I would get fired for this shit. Just at your desk cutting it out like,
Yo, how to make tilapia without offending your office mates.
They're like, step 1. Put sour cream in a mason jar. Put it right into the microwave. Top off with sauerkraut. You're like, what? They're like, do you have some hogmas? Put that in there too.
Garnish with pickled red onions.
You gotta bust that out during a meeting. Like,
they got the whole room smelling like feta cheese and fucking BVI and shit.
they're like, hey, want to make? Do you have like Googling like what should I make for my potluck? They're like, look in the back of your fridge. Find something the expiration date was 2 months ago. Good to go. Now put a nice base of cat hair underneath it.
Oh man,
Put no spices on it whatsoever.
None.
Is
Just
it
throw it in
micro?
there.
Is it freezer burn? Just run mad hot water on it. You'll be
That's it.
fine.
You'll be good.
It rehydrate it.
Yo, I think white people's like native food is just like throwing Mad Grains biscuits in a Pyrex and then throwing whatever's in their fridge on top of it.
Wow.
And then throw it in the fucking oven on 450 for 25 minutes.
I'm gonna have to defend white people here. Gonna have to defend white people. I'm sorry. I'm a white apologist. I know many white people, and I said, what was it? It was the.
Did white people invent the casserole?
Nah, because casserole was mad lazy. What was it that I said that white people's natural food is? That fucking, it's like a
Quinoa?
no, it's a green bean casserole.
Oh, yes.
And they were like, no, we don't. That's not us.
That's not us?
That's not us.
That shit is at every Jewish house. Well, maybe it's a Jewish thing.
It might be a Jewish holiday. That's not like a regular. That's not
regular.
That's
like,
not dead stock white people shit.
Oh, yeah. That's not,
like maybe Midwest white people, but that's not like regular. Like I'm from fucking Massachusetts. I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe I don't. Maybe I know enough white people, or it's like a small sample size. White people, call us up.
Call us up.
White people, what is your creme de la creme? What is the meal you must have at every meal?
Yes.
That is the official white people food. What is white people soul food?
You know what I mean? What's your plátano?
What is it?
You know what I'm saying?
White people, what is your curry goat?
You know what I'm saying?
Talk to us.
Talk to us.
We're trying to heal the nation.
Is it baby carrots?
I don't think it's baby carrots. It's probably something like. And also, white people, they spaghetti is a side, but also you Hicks do that too.
Oh yeah, spaghetti with plátano. That's a delicacy.
I just almost threw up in my mouth. Spaghetti with plátano. And then you bring it to the beach and eat it on ceramic plates.
Yeah, bro.
What the fuck is wrong with
you
y'all?
put sazon and like a little olives in that shit, like totally disrespect, like whatever. Well, actually, noodles were invented in Asia. Mm-hmm. Italians took that shit.
Uh-huh.
You know what I'm saying? So like, I'm not gonna credit Italians with inventing pasta.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? But like, we just finesse that shit, B. We just swag it out. Oh God, what's this?
Sazon.
This is song, papi. Con culantro y
My
achote.
niggas, the problematic light is on. I repeat, my niggas, the captain has turned on the problematic light.
Talk about that spaghetti. Can't be a spaghetti with a sand. Sand and spaghetti and choach. Nah, I don't eat them around sand.
Oh, that's true. Yeah,
That's what I wanted to learn on today. That's what I'm going to tell the kids at the high school graduation.
Yo, sex on the beach sounds ill, but don't do it. Just drink it.
Even sex on the beach to drink is disgusting.
Yeah, it is.
What is that? That's a
Miami Vice is type lit. It's like a strawberry daiquiri layered with a pina colada. That's kind of lit. You're at
your big age now. You are supposed to only be drinking straight liquor.
Straight. All right? I mean, I do.
Nigga drinking sex on the beach.
Like, you know,
excuse me, can I get a 1/3 vodka, 1/3 cranberry juice, 2/3 peach snaps, and 1/3 orange juice? This nigga drinking sex on the beach. This nigga on vacation with his wife and they ain't comfortable enjoying the shit.
Yo, I drank a whole bottle of Glenfiddich.
Oh yeah.
That shit was good.
Yeah.
I think it was scotch.
Yeah.
Single malt scotch.
Yeah.
Yeah, that shit was good as fuck, bro.
Yeah.
And I just cut it up with the pina coladas and shit like that. Like, I chased liquor with more liquor, which is probably a bad idea. And then went swimming and scuba diving, but I had mad fun. Shout out to Sea Bobs. I'm copping 5.
What are sea bobs?
It's like a mini jet ski. It's like a jet ski that you don't got to get on and get lost like DJ Khaled. You just like hold on to it and it just like propels you through the water. You know what I'm saying? And you could put the shit up to like mad fast or mad, whatever you feel comfortable with. You know what I'm saying? Just like anal sex.
I don't fuck with jet skis because they almost killed my cousin Sean Kingston. So it's a Babylon thing. My family, we avoid them at all costs.
Jet ski crashing into.
Can't do that. No, I can't risk it.
A jet ski had a feeling homicidal.
We lost so many young ones to jet skis.
Yo.
Actually, that's eventually when I have a nervous breakdown and no longer join entertainment. I am going to move to Jamaica, buy 4 jet skis, and rent them to white people.
That's it.
If you're ever looking for me, find me. I would not have an email address.
You just gotta find the nigga. Nigga just
like, yo, you gotta ask for me at the airport, and someone is like, they'll relay the message, and I get back to you in 2 weeks.
You just got the one brolic dread and shit. Like
it's all just fused together. And I just spend my whole day smoking and working on one fucking jet ski. And when you come rent it, the jet ski I give you is the one I've been working on. You're like, what about those 3? No.
You take this one.
Here, take this wrench in case something fall off.
Yeah, let me just fix it. It's good. Don't go past the buoy.
Shit just break down in the middle of the water. I gotta swim out there and fix it. Like somehow I'm able to keep the blunt dry as I'm swimming.
Nigga paddleboarding with a blunt out. You have to save this motherfucking.
I tell you.
Picnic.
Easy on a charter. Gotta swim back and shit. Whole time just giving you dirty looks.
Yo.
It costs like $800 to rent the jet ski, and I'm like, no, it's cash.
No.
Daughter.
Cash only.
They're like, there's not $800 on the island. I'm like,
wow.
I'll take your daughter.
And your car.
Give it.
They just pull out a machete and just lean on it like, shame. You don't have the money to pay for the service that I provided for
and
you.
that's why you always use American Express traveler's checks. Express traveler's checks. It's just as good as cash.
Yeah, that's right.
They used to show all those ads where like white people get robbed in Europe and shit. They're like, my money!
Oh my God!
My money! And some Jason Bourne villain runs off with like their fucking statue of money. Like who the fuck took? Yo, Grenadine, who told you to take out $20,000 when you went to Moscow?
Like, come on.
Look what you took. I'm gonna take my whole Roth IRA.
Hey,
yeah,
I got 50 grand large in my fanny pack.
I want to see the Leaning Tower of Pisa, so I'm just gonna take out all my health insurance. Like, no, stupid.
What are you doing, you dickhead?
And then,
yo, listen, when you traveling, keep it plastic.
And banks are stupid because they don't do 2 and 2 and be like, yo, this nigga bought a plane ticket to England like 2 months ago. So perhaps for the time when he says he's going to be in England, we should verify all purchases used by his card to England. Because my card would be like, whoa. Hello, this is the TD Bank fraud department. Somebody used your fucking ATM card at the Port Authority.
Whoa.
Yo, we're shutting down your account until we hear from you. I'm like, why would you shut down the account?
Why, dog? Why?
And they're like, please tell us if these purchases were made by you. They were like, $6, Uber. I'm like, why would you shut off the account for?
It's always the one thing.
Thing.
You'll spend like fucking a rack on something, 2 racks on something, and then like go to Dunkin' Donuts and get a coffee. And Dunkin' Donuts, and it's like decline.
And then you're like, they're like, oh, let's like listen to some of the old purchases on your card. They're like, yeah, this morning did you buy 13 pairs of Red October at Flight Club? I'm like, no. They're like, oh, okay, bye.
Oh, sorry about that.
All right, bye. I'm like, what do you mean bye?
It seems like
is my card on or off? Can I get more information?
It seems like one of your regular purchases. We apologize for that inconvenience. Yeah, I mean, you don't repeat sneakers, so we thought it was legit.
Why would I buy 13 pairs of Red Octobers?
I mean, I don't know.
For the flex.
Yeah, I'm honestly, 1 to rock and 12 to sock.
Yeah. All right, we gotta go.
Bye. My name is Steve. Nigga's name is always Steve.
Hi, my name's Steve.
It's not Steve.
My name is Steve. Who am I talking to today? I was like, what the fuck? Punch nigga. How can I help you today? Y'all motherfuckers turned off my motherfucker. You know what? With that attitude, guess what? Who's not getting their money today? Yeah. So I'm actually gonna hang up on you. You're gonna call back, wait another half hour, and see if your attitude changes. Thanks for using TD Bank. Go fuck yourself. And I got to call back like, damn, these niggas really got my money. Banks are weird because they got your money and they give you the mad attitude. Like you got my money.
I'm letting you hold my money.
Low key, you do not exist unless I fuck with y'all.
Fam.
But they're like, yo, you want your money? Prove it's you. I'm like, what? I got to prove. Nigga, that's my money.
It's me. It's my money.
They gotta do like Judge Judy, bring the money into the room and see if the shit comes to you. Like mad fucking bills and shit like in your face. Like, I told you, Judge Judy, it was my money.
I told you, stupid.
Niggas charge you a fee for watching your money.
Fam.
What type?
America,
Nigga.
capitalism.
Nigga, that's wow. And then if you take out too much, whoa, they gotta tell niggas.
Chill, yo.
Excuse you?
Yo.
Or like, yo, if you want to get a loan, they're like, yo, we're gonna review.
Fam, you know how embarrassing it is to be at a department store and like people recognize you and they're standing in line behind you and you're kind of balling out, but you're not really balling out.
Uh-huh.
You know what I'm saying? And then you go and you swipe your card and the shit gets declined. And then you get a text message to your phone like, hey, you just tried to buy $800 worth of shit at Target. Like, is this correct? If correct, reply yes on your card. But then it takes like a hot 5 minutes, so you just standing there like, and next behind you's like, yo,
hurry up, Hollywood.
The kid Mero look like the kid Broco over there. Broke boy, broke ass nigga. Maybe you should put that Dyson vacuum back, motherfucker.
Okay, maybe you should spend what you can afford.
You know what I'm saying?
Now you know what? A Target's over there. Maybe you get one of that.
You know what I'm saying?
They got some cheaper vacuums over there. Some broke boy shit.
Fucking cornball.
Fucking all this.
But you live within your means, stupid.
Shit. Thought you was getting those Showtime checks, but nah. More like you need to be doing Showtime on them trains. Get out of here, brokey. Can I get a picture?
Yeah, right. Exactly. That's how it ends. Yo, okay, y'all get
can I fuck it up real quick?
Yo, I fuck with y'all niggas.
Y'all fuck with y'all niggas. I fuck with y'all niggas. OD. Yo, not for nothing. Yo, not for nothing. Yo, that Spanish nigga Desus. Yo, he ain't even that funny though. I'm like you, and then at that point I'm just like, you watch the show all the time, but you can't tell which one of us is which.
Like,
yo,
I mean, yeah.
When they don't even come close to the name and shit.
Yo, my nigga make Zeus.
They're like, oh shit, yo, Jesus, that shit you do with Action Bronx is wild. You got mad kids. I'm like,
what? Like, nigga, what? Yo, remember that show that you be doing when you and Jesus go in and do ayahuasca? Yo, that shit is lit.
I love that show. Y'all niggas do hit that nigga with sonic rings. Yo, that shit is fucking fire, man. Me and my girl, we watch that shit all the time and shit. Like, I be eating her out, and every now and then I gotta lift my head and laugh. They got the mad sore neck from like looking back, like, these niggas is funny. All right, I'm going back down, boo. Boo, what's your pH balance? Your top lip is a little tingling.
Yo, ma, come on. What's the herb status?
What's going on right there? Is this a home game?
Yo,
I know it's winter, but why you got the Sherlink on your clit?
Chill. Got the Sherlink on my dick 24/7, B.
What does that even mean?
Air Foreskin.
Oh. Foreskin's more a turtleneck, not a Sherlink.
I mean, it depends.
I mean,
if you want the hair grow,
it's like an Antifa mask. Like,
Antifa.
Yeah, you could definitely they throwing rocks and shit. Hey, man.
Yo, Ellen made LeBron eat ass on air?
Yeah, I saw that clip. I didn't click it.
I was like, what?
Is that what happened in that?
Well, it was like a blind taste test. And he was like,
it tastes like ass?
He was like, he was like, it was a kiwi, but it was not like sliced. And you know, kiwis have like the little butt hair.
Yeah.
So he's tasting it. And then Ellen is like, what do you think this is? And he's like, is this a kiwi? And she was like, yeah, what did you think it was at first? Because you made a weird face. He's like, honestly, I thought it was ass.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? But, you know what I mean? I said, I'm up on Ellen, and Ellen wouldn't do that to me.
See,
so
that's it.
I knew it was
That's
cute.
it. I'm done wearing Nike. I'm done with LeBron. Why would he be a great leader? Why would he say that in front of our impressionable kids? Also, Ellen is a government plant. And
Ellen is the Royer of daytime television?
Yes. Ellen is DJ Vlad. Okay? All she is here to promote the gay agenda by being happy. Get out of here. Takashi, Ellen, and Mason, the Yodeling kid are all industry players.
Oh my god!
Now my nigga Russ though, he got them hands.
Nigga Russ,
Russ will fuck you up. Don't listen, Mero. Don't get fucked up by Russ.
Let me see his stats. What is his stats?
He's 1-1. Like he's 1-0.
No, I mean like what? Like how big is he?
He's a rapper. They're not gonna have his stats. What is this?
Russ? Are we talking about the same guy? Is it Russ, the white kid that's like anti-drug shit?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Russ the rapper and Russ the raper are two different people. So you have to add the XP.
Wow.
Yeah, this guy, Russ.
That guy?
Beat the fuck out of you. Beat the brakes off you.
That guy? I mean, he might beat the brakes off of Aldo's shoe.
Listen. Don't get caught. Don't get caught. He's Sicilian.
Oh,
Okay.
Even better.
All right.
All I gotta do is give him a 20 bag of Coke and he'll go away.
Wow.
Hey, meet me in front of Pruzo's. I got a package for you. Bing, 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 bing.
He said, how many Zans and Leans do you have to do before you realize you're a fucking loser?
Wow.
Okay.
Wow. How sanctimonious of you.
Did he say do a lean? Can you do a lean?
How much?
Yeah, that's like, that's like, I did a sex
No, he
last
said
night.
how much Zans and Lean do you have to do? Oh, okay. Yeah, he was his entourage attacked rapper Smoke Perp. Oh, okay.
Why? Because he was smoking perp?
I think he was on Twitter saying "fuck Russ," the same way you are.
Oh, he's an entourage. So you gotta have an entourage. Oh, no fair ones. Oh, so in that case, so if it's entourage versus entourage, so I can bring my entourage of niggas with fraudulent papers and machetes.
He's 26. You can't be fired.
Oh yeah,
that's like child.
That's child abuse. It is. It literally is child abuse.
You look wild, stupid.
Beating his ass.
Like fighting.
Yeah,
they're like, I think that's one of his sons. I'm like, leave them alone. This is a father-son thing.
It's a father-son thing. It always happens.
They fight. They get
listen.
it out.
That's it.
That's
what happens.
They're just out there.
He's becoming a man. He's being bar mitzvah.
Bar mitzvah. The festival of life is what
you know
it is.
what I'm saying? That's that.
No, that
That's
would be
right.
Hanukkah, but so
shout out to Paul Manafort, aka Young Chocolate, taking a plea deal.
Well, he's taking a weird plea deal. He's not
pleading guilty.
He's not pleading again. He's just holding out for like a pardon, and he wants to beat the next trial because the trial has mad. The next trial he has is mad Russia shit, and he's not really trying to make it hot. So he's like, "Yo, Donald," like he's standing outside of VIP. He's like, "Yo, Donnie, get me in." Yo, Donnie. Donnie, it's your boy Paul.
Yo, what's up?
Yo, I ordered bottles, but I went to the bathroom. They won't let me back in VIP. Could you get a brother in?
Yo, what's up? Yo, bro, I lost my wristband, bro.
DJ, I'm with Donnie.
Yo, bro.
DJ, I'm with Donnie.
I'm with Donnie, bro.
Donnie.
Yo, bro. Yo,
Donnie.
Yo, you got it. Yo, bro. You holding,
Donnie,
bro?
Donnie, you gonna leave Paulie out here?
Bro, you holding, bro?
You got, bro.
bro.
My jaw.
Bro, let me get a little freeze real quick, bro. While I smoke a cigarette, bro.
Oh my God, I heard Hasan's playing Boris tonight. I love it.
Oh,
I
bro,
love it.
It's gonna be fucking
playing
lit.
nothing but the Guido hits.
Oh, it's gonna be lit, bro.
I hope you play that song that goes da 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 da. I'm fucking. I'm showing my abs.
Yeah.
Hey, Donnie, get me in here.
Yo, throw on fucking Papa Americano, bro.
I love that. I love that.
That's my shit, bro.
Oh shit. Megan took a plan B, but she said she'll be here tonight. Let's go. Fucking go. Hasan. Dilema Upuka. Is that what Mero always said? You got I feel cold.
Shout out to all the Guido niggas that used to be up at DNA.
They said DNA.
Like, Coke flow was serious.
DNA. Listen, you get yourself a good Italian. They'll ask you for Coke literally anywhere. Anywhere.
Fam, can I tell you?
Rangers game.
I went with 3 Italian chicks to a bar in Westchester, and I was not dressed like in any type of like hip hoppy type of way.
Hip hop.
Like,
You man had a Ruckus Records t-shirt on.
Yeah, that's like you know what I'm saying? Those dress codes is basically.
Where were you at Hip Hop Die?
Die, nigga, motherfucker. Chub Rock. I went in the club. Shorties are pouring shots. They're doing bartender shit. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? I'm just there just to get free alcohol. Homie comes up to me and he's like, "Hey, what's up, bro?" He's like, "They working?" I was like, and it took me like a split second to realize like what he meant. And he's like, "If they're working, how much for the whole night?" Hey, I got a room. You know what I'm saying? How much for the whole night? I'm like, yo, nigga, do you think I'm a pimp because I'm wearing a blazer? Like, are you serious, my G? Like, get the fuck out of here. I'm a college student, sir. Get the fuck out of here.
I mean, Shorty asked if I had Coke at the Tommy party. And I was quite offended. I was like, baby, I don't move the drugs, I do the drugs. She was like, yeah, you got. I was like, what is this, 96?
Like, yo, come
I was like,
on.
I got a Showtime deal. I was just talking about. I was like, out of all the people here, you think I got coke?
I got coke.
I'm more of a Quaalude type nigga.
Come on.
Right?
Look
I
at
got
this.
suppositories. I'm bent over, ma.
Look at this nigga over here in the corner leaning, bro, with vomit on his shirt. We
need to get, what's a drug niggas ain't really fucking with? We should bring back to the hood.
Bring back to the hood. You mentioned Quaaludes.
You know what? Just straight B12.
Or
Just take B12 and just get mad warm for no reason. And shit.
Just mad milk thistle.
Yeah. Yo, what's up, my nigga?
Yo.
What's up?
Yo.
What's up?
Yo, I got that milk thistle, nigga.
Yo.
I got that milk thistle for the low. I got weight.
Yo, y'all niggas, y'all weed is over because me and Mero smoking that string ginkgo biloba.
You know what I'm saying?
How you feel? We fighting the
stupid.
pressure, yeah.
You know what I'm saying, nigga? Memory strong, you feel me?
What's up? My nigga Mero,
You know what I'm
Victor
saying?
came through with a pound of that fucking shark cartilage.
You know what I'm saying, nigga? We
What's good?
We about to cut the dope, nigga. Get ready. Yo. Fam, you ever shoot up with a swordfish nose?
Oh shit, my nigga Hasan came through with the fucking flaxseed oil.
Oh, shit, it's lit.
They come out with like sparklers. They're like, sir, this is a vitamin hut. You have to leave. How is he DJing in a vitamin hut? Also, vitamin hut, that's how vitamin hut? I don't know.
I think it's vitamin shop.
There's vitamins, there's Shack.
Yeah, Shack.
I mean, there's vitamins you can get at like Pathmark, then there's like vitamins. I don't know what the difference is.
Well, they call them supplements. Yeah, they're not vitamins, they're the supplements.
That's that straight shit.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, I need supplements, bro.
I need supplements.
And why do they sell Vitamin Shop? They spell Vitamin Shop still like PPE. Like
it's old
Vitamin Shop.
It's Canadian.
Like, come on, man. Y'all niggas got ginseng and fucking B12 shots and
there's probably some stupid reason like to make people
oil?
like Americans probably think it's.
Have you ever been to Europe?
No.
Didn't think so.
Oh!
Ooh. Wow! Bow. Oh, that's the traditional.
Victor letting the Mac go ring.
That's the traditional. That's the traditional spelling for Vitamin Shop.
Oh,
that's how it's always been spelled
since
when it was first made. The first store first opened way back in 1977. It's Secaucus, New Jersey. Yeah, put an extra P in there.
Yeah,
it's a shop.
Yeah, let me get you something. Like
Vitamin Shop.
Let me get a fucking giant vat away.
Yeah,
I'm about to go pump some iron.
Oh wait,
and shoot a fucking steroid needle in my butt.
Wow, this was definitely started by the mafia. My God.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna stop talking about it. Them in Mattress Express. Definitely drug fronts.
Yeah, don't get me wrong.
They're washing money down there. They just wash. Because you go there, they don't even want you to buy a mattress. They're like, you really want a big ass mattress? You gonna drag this shit all the way to your apartment? I didn't think so. And you're like, how much is the mattress? It's like $5,000. I'm like,
they don't even look at the thing. They're just like 50,000.
You can have 5,000. They'll be like, I'm sorry, that was last week's price. It's 7,000 now.
Like, nigga, this is a day bed.
It's 19,000 because you want to ask questions now. The headboard 20,000.
Bro, this is particle board.
Okay, you know what?
This is not really high quality.
You know what?
Furniture.
Guess what? We're closed. We're closed. No more mattresses for anybody.
Wow.
I'm shutting the factory down.
Wow.
Shut it down.
Wow.
Niggas just set a mattress on fire and look at you. Guess who's not sleeping tight tonight?
Yo, can I get a 40 though?
Fuck out of here. Nigga throw a fucking mattress coil at you like, boing, chicken in your eye.
Niggas like, can we offer anything? Water, cocaine?
No. So yes, you buy yourself mattress. You don't actually have to buy mattresses. Little known fact, if you're moving to New York, at the first of the month, whenever people move out, they leave perfectly good mattresses in front of buildings.
Yeah.
So just take one of those.
Yeah, just flip it over to the side that doesn't have menstrual blood or
stick and just like bang it like that, and then all the bed bugs will shake out.
They shake out. Yeah. Just spray some shout on the blood stains and the urine stains and the saliva stains and the other stain that you can't identify, and you're straight.
Nah, you'll be good. You don't listen. You'll be all right. You know, little stains are nothing but like spices.
That's true.
For your butt.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Give it a couple stains.
You know what I'm saying? It gives you character. You know what I'm saying? When you get that fucking anal hemorrhoid.
There you go. It's character like the girl with the wandering eye.
Now since we talked about Frank Ocean, Florida and her wandering eye, I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna cut R&B like a very jazzy, like version of like, and I'm gonna call it Wandering Eye.
Wandering Eye.
Yeah, like,
and Hasan's gonna be like, who the fuck has a wandering eye that you're writing a song to? Who's got that wandering eye? Next time we see him, he's gonna have a wandering eye. I'm like, Mero, you getting beaten? He's like,
no. I tripped and I fell.
Mero.
It's like Tina Turner movie all over again. Like, you just like, yo, what's going on? I'm like, nothing, baby.
He's gonna like breaking the tears during his next AKAs.
No.
He's like, Dad of the
No, I'm fine. I'm good, baby.
Dad of the year.
I'm just here to perform.
Do no fucking AKAs. Okay.
I'm sorry.
All right.
Nigga Victor gets up to go pee. I flinch. I'm like, sorry.
Wow. Problematic.
Yo.
Problematic.
Has been blinging.
Blinging indeed.
Yeah.
My niggers, the problematic light is on. I repeat, my niggas, the captain has turned on the problematic light.
A lot of y'all think that's a MacBook. That's actually Stephen Hawking's chair.
Yo, we caught that shit with a nigga Perry shit.
Straight money. Same way Victor bought the ice cream truck.
You know what I'm saying? We caught Steve, you know what I mean?
We out here,
baby. We be splitting time and shit.
Everything.
This shit plays the Bodega Boy theme now. Like, niggas taking turns doing wild wheelies with it. Like, sup, nigga? I added fucking chrome rims on the side.
Yo, I'm on a GW on the shit like, nigga, I got easy pass. Suck my dick from the bag.
I got. That shit definitely blasted Boom Bomba and shit. Like, cops pulled me over there. Like, how this fucking wheelchair got a stash box?
Don't worry about it,
Don't
nigga.
worry about it.
Do you have a warrant? No? Suck my whole dick.
No, you can't catch. You do not have permission to search that pocket on the back of this chair. Let me see your warrant, pig.
I stand with Cap.
Oh, God.
It's like, yo, you guys are wildin'. Stephen Hawking will put up with this shit. Stephen Hawking will not put up with this. Get out of here, cop.
Sucked my whole dick pig.
Like, the thing is, it takes man long to type that, so the cop sees you. SUCKWOHOLED. You know what? Get out of the chair.
Get out of the car. Get out of the chair. He's like, oh, word.
I can't do that.
A word.
Damn, what movie? Yeah, it was like.
Are you going to violate like that?
Damn. Yo. Wildin'. 126 episodes of Street. Wildin'. Oh my God. The art teacher's on an acid trip. It's your boys, man.
That's right. You quote yeah, man. Hey, we'll be back next week, y'all.
No, we're not.
Don't get nervous.
No, we're not. We have a triple murder suicide thing.
Oh, it's about to be lit. Yo, remember when ASAP came out and they were rocking black scale shit and they were like on some like semi-satanic shit? We should get on some semi-goth satanic shit.
It's kind of late now.
And just like sacrifice ourselves.
I'm banned from the Hot Topic of Ridge Hill. Like, I can't.
Oh, damn.
Listen, I got into one argument over a Paramore shirt. And, here we are.
Oh, God. Damn. What am I going to do with this Slipknot t-shirt I just bought?
Bring me back to life. This is Slipknot.
Nigga Victor's like, yo, you're insulting my entire college freshman year.
Pretty much.
Oh, man.
I was in Connecticut. What you want me to do?
No, Connecticut.
As we call it, as our King Peel pronounces it. Oh, man.
Connecticut.
Oh, man. What to say? Yo, it's your boy, Desus Nice, a.k.a.
right.
Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket State, Pat like Terrio. They're like, Desus, can we get a clean version just to safety? I'm like,
Yeah.
Pocket State Fat, like, here we go.
Yeah.
We use that on the national distribution. Cats, Fat, Short, Sling Dick, Eli Libby, Butchers, Bully Slow Down might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, T-Take Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a rondo, Mil Nova Santa, Nevente, Carta, Meca going off the Juve Boss, MC Lugu P, put up for 40, which is Shorty, a.k.a. Don't talk to me in the Ubu, I don't know you. The original, my +1 got +1, so don't make a fuss, son. Desus Rossi, the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, that goes to Mufasa, Young Chakuli without the Coonery, a.k.a. Chili Moan, left-hander reliever for the Yankees, K. Low-Key, Phone Jones, DJ Machina, Jay Stuck, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonner's label, dilute, Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, cause I like my Pinot. Yeah. blurry.
Yeah. Is that a butter, a vagina, or a nipple? Who cares?
We're gonna find out the hard way. DJ Wooler, aka listening to Wash FM. Up next, we got something for the ladies. We got 24 hours of who? Oh, you know her name.
I can't wait. Oh. Wait for the beat to drop. Yo.
Now I'm blessed.
Yeah. Talk to him.
Coming around. That's right. You got some Carrie Underwood on your ass, nigga. You know what that is.
Holla.
You know who she is. Protected by all means. The Curry Goat, Desus, Spice, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno. You cannot contain her. The human memory word to Ja. Young Aaron, the Risa Provocateur, Hedrick Budcuss, Nelson Mandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Booth, and the human word is melting in mouth. Mr. Bex on Decatur, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, Morris Richard Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber. Did you suppress with your boy?
Never.
Nope, not happening. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of noodles, the Prince of Pecco, the Fashion Nova, Casanova. We make cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, $1.
What you want?
Forget the small change, give me.
No. What I need?
The only anthem I salute is Dipset.
Cheer.
Mrs. Sager, catch me at square one, top left.
Yo.
Man, this is Marv.
Yo,
Troopers to the holy cow. Mrs. South Park, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Soap Soda, and it's me, Sunny D. Just want to take the time out to say shout out to sponsor Square Cash. Ka-ching, ka-ching, ka-ching. And be sure to check out our Madison Square Garden show. Tickets still available.
11 make a motherfucking wish.
That's right. You know, when you go there, get some expensive, tacky opal jewelry from David. Man. So you could fill it in with everyone else that has box seats at the Rangers games. Yeah. Expensive. These are Red Bottoms. These are Bloody Shoes. Smokeem Noah, Andrew Coonan, a.k.a. the Junior Energy God Jr. Come step on me.
Sick on it.
Petco, because I got your bitch on freeze. I don't even know if that's the name of your dog, and we probably lost him during the groom, and you'll get over it, get another dog.
He's a Maltese.
Well, he's gone now. That's what kind of dog he is. He's a gossip and Syosset. Listen, when the conductor comes, just show your pass. I know it says male, but you're female. Make a big deal. Say you're transgendered or something. I don't know.
Yeah. I just say
we're not paying for extra thing.
Fuck that.
That's the actual thing. You know that, like on the. You know, you have to. It says male or female. Yeah, get what I'm talking about. Yeah. AKA Graham, call me Grandpa Joe. Cause when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket. Let him scratch up your couch. He doesn't know better. He's trying. He's just a cat.
He's just following his instincts.
That's all he is. All right. Mr. Chopping that street easy with a bad breeze like I'm easy. Please believe me. The black age addict will crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. Lamina, Miss Marina with a fresh misdemeanor, a cold demeanor, AKA problematic bay. That's right. Don't file no taxes. They'll never find out.
They'll never find out. That's Wesley.
The only tax we pay are the Quanan.
That's right. Yo, it's your boy. Episode 126, 196, my bad. You know what I'm saying? I'm counting out here. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Direct Flap, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. I'm saying, a.k.a. Skirt Loader, jump the curb, hit your dog, fucking keep it moving. Ask me if I give a fuck, nigga. Call Peter, I don't care. A.k.a. I know fucking baby, I fucking mean, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Catch me on sushi smoking shisha. AKA, don't even check the guest list. My name is my motherfucking name. Also, this is my garage sale. I put the sign up myself. I hired you as security, and you're taking your job way too seriously, my guy.
Can I see your receipt?
This is my crib.
Sir,
I live
you mean
here.
to tell me you just live in this house and you just happen to actually own this yogurt maker right here?
Yeah.
Let me see your fucking back.
Yeah.
We got a 1049 over here. We got a guy trying to sell a yogurt maker. It's a Yoplait.
Oh, hold on a second. Heather, come on. I have a white woman. She can explain everything.
Yeah, he's apparently holding this white woman hostage.
Oh, fuck.
I'm gonna need a backup.
Shit. Oh, I'm out of here.
We got a Platino on the run. Platino on the run.
AKA CC Dabathia. You know what I'm saying? AKA get into the shmoney and the smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmrack. AKA I bought my neighbor's house, tore it down, and turned it into a new skate key for my kids to rob other kids for their jackets, for the culture, nigga, and to remember the times. You know what I'm saying? When things was real. And Kanye wasn't doing songs with 15 teenagers. A.K.A. Big Smack Beyond Boy. A.K.A. DJ Mero Donna. A.K.A. Dick in your baby Matumbo. You don't call me this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me now. That's it. A.K.A. the new coach of the fucking motherfucking everything. David Trisdale, nigga. Pow, pow. Take that for data, nigga. A.K.A. Barlow Santana. So smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the Uber. How do you crash your Uber? You're not even driving it, bro. I'm doing it.
It takes skill.
Takes skills, B. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. the Dominicans on Dada Dagman Daddy. A.K.A. Swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it. Put the plastic bag on that shit. You're embarrassing us both right now, Jessica. You know what I'm saying? I was the voice of Cobra Commander on G.I. Joe. Look. Cobra! Cobra Commander! I'll kill you! Guy that turns into a cassette. I'm sorry, that's from Transformers.
Right, that sounds about right.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So let me rock. Anyway, aka Romeo Santos. So Zanny, let me black out. I'll drop your girl on stage, nigga, at the merch booth. I don't give a fuck. And I'll do it in brunch booths, nigga. Fight me. Wow. I dare you. Aka Lighten Up Dutchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. That your broke ass ain't got five. Again.
How many times you gonna invite this? This nigga never got 5.
Never, bro, never. You know what? I try to give niggas the benefit of the doubt.
Weed in my house.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry.
I got a cat. I don't need this shit.
I apologize, bro. Like, I thought it was gonna be a different type of situation, but you know what I'm saying? You can't just be.
I saw him blood. This nigga come through without the 5 again. I'm putting Russ on him.
That's it, bro. Russ, get him.
Russ hiding my light work.
You know what I'm saying? That Passover. AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated. You know what I'm saying? AKA Field Ass Tyson. I want to explode your cosmos, man. Let me expose your cosmos. You know what I'm saying? I got the speculum right here. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. AKA Friday El Messi.
Gotta crank it up like.
Yeah. AKA Friday El Messi, MVP of Gelato. You know what I'm saying? That's all I smoke. AKA Zaniel Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. Yo, don't believe the rumors, B. There's no maggots, and hookah is not a pack of cigarettes, B. If it's shisha, it's tobacco free. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you check with your local hookah boy. He usually has a shirt that says Hookah Boy on the back.
Hookah Boy, the world's most used superhero.
Niggas come through like, yo.
Nigga watch you get robbed like, that's crazy.
That's wild, B. Yo, you want to see me blow a smoke ring?
Nigga, you think he's trying to help you? He's just moving the coal.
Ooh. Yo, somebody give me the tongs. Give me the tongs. AKA, Ben Boss and my hands are gifted. I remove your arms and place them on your back so you can more easily strike yourself forcefully in the back of the head for even thinking that you could fuck with the HUD God. You fucking cowards. I run this shit. I'll be the president in the next couple of months. Once all these niggas go down, that's the long con. Candy handling my light work. AKA, I open your mother's cabinet. You know who it is, man. It's the motherfucking Zen Man. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Lucius Lion ass nigga. Come on, man. I have no idea why the browser is on spankbang.com, man. This is the family computer, man. Why don't you ask your trifling ass son, man? I caught him in the bathroom with his laptop, man. Who take a shit while using Excel? He lying. That nigga lying. I'm being truthful with you, man. AKA Baby Newport, 2-5 niggas got garbage down the way. AKA Nino Brown should have called it down. AKA live from the methadone clinic getting yelled at by Officer Prosciutto. Hey, you asshole! Why don't you go take your fucking dope, shoot your hot bag, and fucking die, you piece of shit? Wow. You know what I'm saying? It's the East Stream on Stevie B. Bobby, why you talking to me like that? I got hints. You want me to sing something for you? I wanna be the one you think is fucking, and don't take love, come back to me. You don't know? You don't remember that, Joyce? I thought you like that. You Italian, Bobby, come on. AKA, listen, mate, it was a 13-hour flight. I took half a Xan. I was out like a light. I was the only rock star on the plane.
Like a light?
Like a light.
Like a light?
Like a light.
Like a light?
Like a light.
Like a light?
Pass it 7.
Checks over stripes.
That's what I like. It's the plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, hopping on the back door of the 40 bus cause I'm popped. Yo, AKA I met Mike Francis. I'm never gonna fail. Never. AKA pulls up from 50, bang again. Barmelos Anthony on fire. What do you think, Clyde? Is it the H-Town activist?
It might be the fact that we're playing NBA 2K19.
Oh, okay. World Barmeller is certainly sipping and dripping. If you see me at fucking Target having a Brugal-induced temper tantrum because they don't have samples, this isn't BJ, sir. Well, this is Mero, nigga. I need fucking samples. Stop fucking playing with me, bro. Bring me a little baby sandwich or I'm gonna tear this shit up. Stop fucking playing with me. AKA I sold fake links to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off City Club Grape Soda and $15 in studio time.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? AKA Hasan, tírame la pista. Uy, ¿qué fue? Llegó el ejército FIFA, el más loco de toda la computadora de la cotorra. frenando en un maquinón con pinta Versace. Las chapas se me pegan como mosquitos al lado del río. Y que yo soy el final, el último capítulo. Mi garaje tiene más italiano que 5 episodios de Jersey Shore, mamá huevo. Llega a la grasa, tú sabes que lo que todo lo viene Uptown Puré, papá. En Los Angeles con el DJ de lo mío. Hasan está controlando. Me quité ya. Episode 126, motherfucker. Rest in peace, man.
That's right. Also, what else? No rest in peace to, well, he's not dead, but Paul McCartney and the other Beatles were like jerking off to each other.
Yeah.
Is that cool?
I mean, like, that's not our speed.
No, like, we don't be doing that.
Yeah, let's not. Yeah,
if something like that happens, like Victor's failed.
Yeah.
Like that means like someone did not check the rider for the green room. They're just sitting there, there's no chicken and shit. Like
they gotta be assigned so it's like Wi-Fi password, no jerking off simultaneously.
I'm like, oh, how dare they tell us what we can't do? There's only 2 rock stars left now. I do what I want. Tiger, show me the opening stroke. Yeah. Episode 126, we out.
Holla.
My niggers, the problematic light is on. I repeat, my niggas, the captain has turned on the problematic light.